ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Court officer? Hello, court officer? Hello.
Court officer, court officer, court officer, court officer.
ಇದು ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಇದು ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇದು ನಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅವೆರಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟು ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿರಲಿ ಸ್ಪೈರಲ್ ಬೈಕ್
Tuesday holiday ಇದೆ. Tuesday holiday. Next Saturday sitting leave. Sitting leave. ಹೌದಾ? Yes. Sir ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ Saturday next Saturday.
Memo for
My lord.
posting, my lords. There is
To the court officer.
my lords, there is an urgency in this matter, my lords.
What is the urgency?
An order under section 14 has been passed for physical possession of my property, my lords. There is application which
When
is
is it passed?
14th, my lords.
Hmm.
My lords, one-time settlement application is pending before the bank, my
What is
lords.
it they're going to do in 2 days?
My lords, we would like to, it is pending consideration. During the
Let's see.
pendency of the
I'll not-
consideration.
I'll not take any matter at 2:30.
Not 2:30, my lords. It may be posted for tomorrow or on Monday, my lords.
Tomorrow is what?
18th, my lords. I heard that there might be special bench in that.
Yes, give the memos, no
My lords,
mentioning.
it may be kindly posted on Monday, my lords. We are ready for one-time settlement.
Mr.
my lords.
Counsel, you have all forgot what are the holidays to the High Court, except your client's urgency. Monday, who will sit for you? Yes,
My lords, it may be
My
first,
lord, surface matter, my lord.
I am not please give the memos to the court officer. I'll look at it and assign the dates.
Please, my lords.
Humble submission is that, my lordship.
Learned magistrate has been passed the orders.
Whatever it is, give the memos to the court officer.
The order was passed on 6th, the copy is received on 13th, blood. That today only I filed that in my, because there is a threat of urgent, this dispossession blood. For that reason I am.
No, I can't take up, because I'm not sitting after 2:30. Yes.
So at least on
Let the matter
27th.
come after on Thursday. Take all the
My
memos.
lordship, this
Please don't
matter
make
is
a mention.
pertinent.
That's what I'm
No, my
saying.
lordship.
Please write the urgency on it. I will see. Anyhow, I'm not granting any lunch motions for any
The date may be
dates.
fixed, my
I
lordship.
will look at the memo and I will.
adjournment,
Much obliged.
list 1, page number 2, serial number 3 to 6, list number 2, page number 2, serial number 5 to 7,
Serial number 7, my lord. Kindly next week, my lord.
Serial number 7
7 next week, my lord. Kindly.
in list number.
2, my lord. Serial number 7.
2, 7.
Have you informed the other side?
Please, my lord. Please, my lord, inform. I informed, my lord.
Then counsel to the petitioner, seeks time. and it is submitted that the same is informed to the learned council for the respondent. This is matter on 3rd of November. Yes, next.
List number 7. List number 4.
Serial number 7. So petitioner advocate name is shown as a BR Deepak, but petitioner advocate BR Deepak has not yet filed wakalat in that
No,
case.
Yes,
I am for the petitioner.
So recheck
And
this
TS
issue.
Raja Rajeshwari, I have signed the wakalat, Your Honor. So it may be mentioned.
It's showing in BR Deepak advocate,
Who are you, sir?
petitioner in this case.
I am
So,
petitioner.
so that's why I asked for recheck this issue.
Admission. I am the petitioner.
Who are you?
Recheck this issue. We are not advocate for petitioner, but it's showing BR Deepak as a advocate.
Who are you?
Petitioner advocate by mistake.
What is she? Who is she?
I
She
am the
only, madam.
advocate. I am the advocate on record TS Raja Rajeshwari. Your Honor.
Call the list.
List number 1.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ?
List number 1 for orders matter, serial number 1.
Serial number 12 in cause list 4, my lords. Kindly. My lords.
One, serial number 1, writ petition challenging the order of maintenance is at serial number 3, my lord. Both the matters may be called
Yes.
together.
One will be called along with 3. Yes.
The list number 4, page number 16, cell number 66, page number 17, 67 to 71, page number 18, cell number 72 to 77, page number 19, cell number 78 to 83.
82, my lords.
Serial number
With appellant
78, my
members.
lord.
Kindly a week time may be granted, my
Yes,
lords.
78, 82. This is
And
matters
understand
on
next week,
19th of,
87 also.
Huh?
87.
yes, 19th of November.
Grateful.
Yes.
Serial number 78, my lord, kindly next week, my lord.
Page number 8, page number 18, serial number 84 to 89,
Yes.
page number 21, serial number 98, 90 to 92.
Yes,
This
call the
one
list.
for orders, serial number 1, Kiran Sabas.
This should be called along with 3. Yes, next 2.
Serial number 2, Nagesh Vinay S for petitioner.
I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. My lord,
Yes,
this
go.
matter is the one in which my lords had asked me to. My lords, two aspects, my lords. Insofar as the Deepavali vacation visitation is concerned, I have spoken to my client. She mentioned that she has no objection with the father taking the child for daytime visitation between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on 18th, 19th, and 20th, my lord. 20th is festival.
18.
19th and 20th, my
And
lord.
after that?
After that, 21st and 22nd are festival, which is celebrated in a very grand fashion.
He has no, yes.
20th is also a festival, my lord. 21st, 22nd, let the child remain with the mother, my lord.
Then after that, holidays when?
23, 24, 25, 26. 4 days are remaining, my lords.
No. You said 21st, 22nd, the mother will have the exclusive.
Please, please.
So then again, 23rd, 24th, they have holidays.
Till 26, they have holidays. my
Also
lords.
again, till 26, again the same.
If I may bring my lord's note,
Holidays, he's at home.
if I may make one respectful submission, 26th is again a Sunday. My lords, according to my lords,
Thought they have it on 26, then it would be 22nd, 22nd, 23rd and 24th. No, 24th, what you said, she wants custody on 2021.
21st and 22nd.
No, okay, 20th is with him.
Yes.
21st and 22nd, then we'll say 23rd, 24th and 25th. 26th, he'll be with the mother.
My lords, literally 7 days out of 9 days, it will be with the father, my lords.
Throughout the year, she is with you.
Be that as it may, my lords, she would
Not
have
all,
to.
You know, mother should also be like.
If I may make one respectful
Yes.
submission, my lords. On 18, 19, 20th, let the daytime visitation be between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., my lords. we have no issues with respect to that as well, my lords.
Mm.
Insofar as the other days are concerned, let it be very minimal, my lords. Let it not be the entire day, my lords. That is my respectful submission.
21.
21 and 22, the festival, my lords, we need exclusive custody.
So 23, 24, no, 25th.
Please,
Let's say from 10 to 3.
if I may request for 10 to 1, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, I need to make a few submissions, my lord. As per the directions of this court, yesterday we both went to Nimans.
I will make my submissions with respect.
So yesterday there was an initial assessment done by the Nimans doctors, and they told both of us to admit as inpatients for 1 month detailed evaluation immediately, my lord. And then I was ready to get admitted. My wife had some difficulties. She resisted. She called the lawyer and made him speak to the doctor. After that, she asked for only 1 day time so that she can come back and get admitted in the Nimans. This is the direction of Nimans, my lordship.
If I may make my submission, my lord. My lord, as per the orders of this honorable court, both the parties have reported before the Nimans. If my lords could please go through my lord's order on the previous occasion. My lords have specifically mentioned, if I may invite my lord's attention, to the order dated 23/9/2025, my lords, in which my lords have observed that both the parties shall appear before the doctors at Nimans on 16/10/2025, and the doctors at Nimans shall evaluate both of them. As per the advice of the doctors, the parties shall go through therapy sessions. Once the evaluations is done, the doctors at Nimans shall send the report back to this court. At no point in time was it mentioned that the parties will have to admit themselves. If I may make one respectful submission, my
Where
lords.
is the treatment? Because neither you nor the court is competent to say what is required for them.
Please, my lords. But
If something is good for them, why don't they do it?
I agree, my lords. But the only difficulty yesterday was that 16 they were asked to report.
Yesterday, when is she going?
My lords,
If not yesterday, I mean, when she's going to join.
insofar as admittance is concerned, I will have to seek instructions, my lords, because of two aspects, my lords. One, festival is coming up, my lords. That is one aspect.
Whatever is, give the date and
I will seek instructions insofar as that is concerned, my lord. In the meantime, he has pressed for the visitation IA, my lords. That an amicable arrangement may be made to that effect, my lords.
My lordship, you have spoken to both of us in chambers, my lordship. You know,
Mr.
just 2
Please
minutes.
understand.
No, my lordship.
When
What
the-
I'm trying to say is there is a deeper psychological and a psychosocial issue.
Is
which
there?
causing this.
No, the moment the doctor says like she'll like immediately go and join in the hospital.
No, of course, let them. tell
That's
the
what,
truth.
that's what he's saying. You have to understand what he's saying.
Okay, my lord.
Yes. The party in person.
May I make
Submit,
one
sir.
submission before my lords declare? My apologies. Insofar as 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. 23rd, 24th, 25 is concerned, my lords. At least 25 and 26, that is a Saturday and Sunday.
Sunday will not have, that's what I told.
Even Saturday, my lords. 23rd, 24th, let it be 10 to 1, my lords.
Please don't make this kind of party.
My lords,
at all.
at least during the weekends, let the child be with the mother is my respectful submission.
Every weekend, what is he doing?
My lords, he has weekend visitation, and as per my lord's order, he also has.
And the mother starts feeling that it's like he's a property and belongs to her.
Certainly not, my lords. That
Yes.
is the reason. I'm only
the
requesting
party-
for weekend, my lords.
Party in person submits that. The boy is having holidays now. And as it's staying nearby and the boy is comfortable staying with the father, the visitation, at least the day visitation may be granted. It is submitted that as per the orders passed by this court, they have appeared before the NIMHANS, and the NIMHANS has suggested, the doctors have suggested that considering the primary evaluation, unless both of them are admitted in the hospital, it is difficult for them to evaluate them. Land counsel appearing for and it is submitted that he is ready to go ahead with the advice of the doctors. Land counsel appearing for the mother submits that. The mother, like she has certain commitments, and as the Diwali festival is approaching, he would come up with instructions when she'll be ready to admit in the hospital. It is submitted that The festival is celebrated on 21st and 22nd. On those 2 days, there may not be any visitation. And even in the weekend also, as the father is having the visitation in the other weekends, as is already having uh, as there were no objection for 18th, 19th, and 20th.
Please.
20th, the weekend visitation may not be granted. That's what, having heard the counsel to the police and the pardon person, this court, balancing the interests of the parties, is passing the following order. Number one, the father shall have the exclusive visitation on 18, 19, and 20th from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
My lords, if it can be made till dinner time, my lords, we will have dinner.
My lords, he's spending the
I think
entire.
I'll not pass any order. Court is, how many times the court is accommodating you? The more the court is accommodating, the more you're coming up with the more, requests. 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. On 20th, 21st, and 22nd, the mother can celebrate the festival with the boy. On 23rd, 24th, and 25th, father can have the visitation between 10 and 2. Does this matter on 25th? By the time, then counsel for the petition shall get specific, then counsel for the mother shall get specific instruction with regard to the admission into the hospital.
My lords, insofar as 23rd, 24th, 25th, 10 a.m. to my lords.
Huh?
In-
10 to 2.
If I may request for 1 a.m. at least, my lords.
10 to 2.
By the
Yes.
time he
Yes, yes.
My lords,
Cell
an
number
office
3.
objection is there in 30128. Each page is not signed, that I have complied with. So, let me-
We'll see.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
next.
Cell number 3. Sudarshan L for petitioner.
So along with serial number 1 and number 3.
Hmm.
Serial number 1 is what I'm the petitioner, and serial number 3, he's the petitioner in this matter.
What is the order in the first case?
This is 125 proceedings, wherein 25,000 was awarded to each girl
for the
child.
mother.
I'm for the mother.
Hmm.
25,000 was awarded to each girl child on an IA interim.
50,000 is awarded.
50,000 is awarded per month.
You are seeking enhancement.
I'm seeking enhancement over here.
Then what is the second one?
The second
They
one,
have questioned the
he
same
has
order.
challenged and the stay has been granted to him
Yes.
on this. My lordship, as per the provision, any person having sufficient means neglects or refuses. Please see page number 77, my lord. In my petition, page number 77.
Where is the interim order? Give the next one at 3.
Interim order is at page number 52, my lord, the operative. Serial number 1, petition.
When counsel appearing to the petitioner submits his wife, husband was residing in UK, and the wife had given a complaint and he was forced to come to India in the year 2016. And ever since he is residing in Bangalore. After coming here, he had filed MC for divorce on GNWC, seeking custody of the children. Wife had filed criminal miscellaneous seeking maintenance, and by the order impugned in IA number 2, the court had granted. Where is the wife staying?
Wife staying in UK. See, the facts of the case is, they got married. He takes
Where are the children staying?
both the children in UK. He took both of them, settled them over there. Domestic violence, police were called. He left them in 2016 January and he came back. Since then, he's not paying anything. He's well vested. He's also produced Kannada movies. Well vested. I've just commenced the cross-examination. The NOC matter which has come to me, I've commenced the cross-examination. He files tax returns of 2 lakhs per annum. But being an engineer, now he's taken a management seat of masters, and how much he pays? 6 lakhs per annum. His admission over there. Misleading the court. My lord, page number.
In the UK, what about the children education and all?
So what happens in the UK is there's a department over there to take care because they have a different system. Now, there are documents which he has produced.
What is the wife doing?
The wife is working in a small job. Now, this maintenance was given for both the children. Her prayer has been rejected. 1 lakh was asked for each one of them. Her prayer is rejected for the children. Now, even that he doesn't want to pay.
What are the expenses of the children? And what is the mother, what are the expenses borne by the mother? It is not simply asking for maintenance because the father has to pay the maintenance.
No,
No. What did you wanted, how much? 1 lakh?
1 lakh per child,
1 lakh per
1 lakh,
child.
25,000 has been awarded.
Correct. So what are the expenses of the children?
School,
What
maintenance.
What are they? They have to be, you have to say that. That's what the statement of assets and liabilities and what are your expenditure.
I
That's what
filed
is
my assets and
relevant.
liabilities.
Then tell the court.
I
What
filed
is
that.
what is the amount you require?
Page number 66, my lord,
Yes.
at D.
Hmm.
Education,
Education free or not?
my lordship.
Education for the children, what is the age?
One is around 16 and another one is 13, my lord.
What are they studying?
They're studying in school.
School education is free or not in UK?
No, even if it is free, even if it is free, somebody is paying for it. The government is paying for it. Now, they have issued a letter to him asking him, how are you going to pay this? And he has neglected, refused to pay that. The government does that over there.
No, please come to this, the expenditure that you have stated. Let's see that. 13 years and 9 years is the age of the daughter.
Correct, my lord.
Yes. So, elder daughter is studying in a secondary school which is about 5 kilometers away, for which the bus charges cost around 1,000. It is 1 lakh per annum.
These are in pounds. You have to convert. They're all given in pounds. You have to convert it. 1030 INR. Yes, 1 lakh 3,000. Yes.
1 lakh he has to pay. Then online classes for which 2 laptops are necessary. Now they will buy.
Yes, my lord. They need all those facilities. I've been provided by, no, this was filed in 2020, my lord. It's assets and liabilities. 2021, this is filed. I've been supported by my father, retired father and brother who live in India.
What is her income?
Her income is around 1,400 pounds.
What are her expenditure? Where did she say?
There is details of loan taken and the same page at D from parents and brother, friends, bank transfer. Those are mentioned over here. And her job is not permanent. It goes from 6 months to 6 months extension. She's a BCom graduate, my lord. May I draw your attention to page number.
Matter after on some other day. This is matter on 10th of November.
Both, please.
Oblige.
1 and 3, ma'am.
Yes, both the matters. Next 4.
Tell number 4.
Intermodal order granted is excellent.
Please.
Tell number 4. Nagaraj.
For the respondent, my lord.
Lord, at times we get a little perturbed, my lord, when the court proposes visitation in excess of what is awarded by the trial court. But my lord, I'm grateful to my lord. I have seen through the intent of the court, that is, the child must have access to both the parents. And my lord, we are agreeable to your lordship's suggestion that the father must have visitation every single day. Between 5 and 6:30, my lord, we have no objection. Monday to Friday, my lord, between 5 and 6:30, let the father come and meet the child every single day.
Yes.
At the mother's apartment, there's a play area, my lord.
Play area. Yes, madam.
My lord, the only submission with this regard, I mean, the only submission we would have is because the father will have to be working during that hours, it will be difficult to exercise that every day of every week. So consecutive weeks, if that is possible, with the weekends also, if we can get only for consecutive weeks, weekend also, if we can get 4 to 5 hours, that'll.
I'm sorry, I didn't
You
understand.
said 5 to 6:30.
Yes, every day.
Yes, my lord, 5 to.
Every day you want visitation. So for that, they're agreeable for 5 to 6:30.
Yes, my lord. All I'm
I'm not-
submitting is that if every day across the month, if he'll have to come 5 to 6:30, that'll also be time when he's
So
working.
here, you said you're here for
He's
3
here,
months.
he's here for 3 months, my lord. The only difficulty would be if he'll have work meetings during that time, he might not be able to exercise it every day of all the weeks. So consecutive weeks, if that is allowed, it will be, or else with liberty to, if there would be days where we would have meetings, prior work meetings, if we can inform that we
I
will
have no
not be able
problem.
to.
If it is for you, if you want to come every day, whenever it's possible, inform to her in advance that he's coming and let him come. If he's not coming, not coming.
It should not be a case where the child gets used to meeting the father every day and then the father abruptly stops, because then the child will go through, some difficulty. There'll be emotional upheaval. The father is coming into the child's life after 2 years, and then if he's going to be there and then suddenly stops, then
6:30 to 7. My lord, if it is everyday visitation, if we can do 6:30 to 7, 6:30 to 7 or till 8, from 6:30 to 8, any time.
sleeps.
What happened?
The child sleeps by 8 o'clock, so 6:30 to 7:30.
Then it 6 to 7:30 is fine.
Sure. Every day you'll be able to do?
But sometimes meeting is.
Yes, every day, 6:30 to 7:30. If we are unable to visit, we will inform
Inform
prior.
in the morning itself.
In the morning, sure, my lord.
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
My lord, if at least 2 weekends, if you would get at least 4 to 5 hours, just because it will be weekend, child also won't have school during the daytime, if you'll get to spend some time.
The mother also is employed. She is not facilitating everyday visitation Monday to Friday.
Whatever.
Anyhow, you're here.
Yes.
Like my mother is also working.
Yes.
When mother is working at that time, yeah, you can have the station or the custody for some time.
Every day for 1.5 hours, let him come visit if he wants.
You can do as for some time. Let's see, like this week, till we'll continue this arrangement till 3rd of November. Then that day we'll again review it how it is.
Lord, even so, at least like 2 hours on any weekend, at least 2 weekends, be it even if it is one day. That is only because even this coming for between 6:30 to 7:30, he'll be coming after work. Whereas if weekend during the daytime, even if it's 2-3 hours, he will also not be so tired. It'll actually be a little more, it'll be a less stressful time also for him. Just 2 weekends if we can get.
Learned friend's
If it's
submission
possible.
yesterday was he's put his career on hold and come here for 3 months to
has.
spend time with the child.
Yes, my lord. He has. In
Then-
fact,
then-
his boss has told him that he has to improve his performance. His performance has dropped since the litigations began. Having said so, my lord, all we are asking for is weekends, any 2 days in a week, in the 4 weeks that are there in a month. If 2 consecutive weekends, be it Saturday or Sunday, 2 to 3 hours, if he can get just on a Saturday or a Sunday. That's all I'm asking.
How about morning 10 to 12 on a Sunday?
10 to 12 hours. Yes, my lord.
Monday to Friday, and then Sunday 10 to 12.
Yes.
If the mother has any difficulty, she wants
Sure.
an alternate time over the weekend, she will inform the father.
Yes, my lord. That as per the convenience. My lord, regarding Diwali, if just 20, I think 22nd is what the lower court has ordered, that we can come to the residence of the child and spend the festival there. If there is difficulty for that, we don't have an issue. We
We
made
don't
the
have any
submission.
difficulty. Let him come on 22nd and spend time with the child.
And the
We have no
paternal
difficulty.
grandparents also.
They can also
accompany.
come. They can also come. No objection.
Yes.
Um, Timings may please be
They can
flexible.
coordinate. They can communicate. They can communicate amongst themselves.
Obliged, my lord.
Lord, the father earns about 6 lakhs a month. No maintenance is paid for the last 2 years.
Yes.
My lord, we are willing to take care of the expenses of the child, my lord. They've
are the
already
expenses?
filed maintenance IA in the lower court.
Lord,
We don't have any
That
issue
is
with that.
anyhow there.
Yes.
So what is
Lord,
the
there's a nanny full because the mother also
how
works.
much is what?
Lord, we have claimed 1.5 lakhs, Lord. But there's a full-time nanny whom she pays about 30,000 rupees a month, and then maybe 15 or 20,000 rupees for the child. That's all we are seeking.
Yes.
My lord,
What is
in
it?
the current state that he's in, 30 plus 15 will be difficult, my lord.
6 lakhs for the salary.
What he is earning per month?
Around 4 lakhs is what he is earning, what will come in
Tax.
hand, my lord. But over and above that, right now, because of the litigations and he's moved down here, so he's paying the hotel bills and all. At the moment, he's in financial strain. We don't have any issue supporting.
Tax.
Yes, my
He's
lord.
spending 50,000 for the child per month. If he feels it's difficult, I think. It's
My
not
lord,
reasonable from his side also.
my lord, it is going to be difficult right now, my lord. That is the only thing, only submission that we're making. This is in light of the fact that when he's come,
What is the age of the child?
The
3
child
years.
is 3.5 years old. No, the nanny who we paid
No,
30
three
yes.
and a half years.
Yes.
From how long they're living separate?
Since 27/11/2023.
27?
11/2023, ma'am. Almost 2 years. Not a single penny is paid, my lord. The mother has been taken.
My lord, as of now, up to 20 to 25, we will be able to manage, my lord.
What is that?
20,000 to 25,000 monthly, we will be able to manage now. If when during the further dates, we will be able to see how we can manage the funds. We also understand there are expenses because he also has his aged parents also, my lord. So if we can submit an enhanced amount or make changes accordingly, because we'll also have to check whether it's feasible to do this. That's all, my lord. Because his boss spoke to him day before yesterday and told him if he does not improve his performance by the end of.
He's earning 4 lakhs.
Yes,
He's been earning 4 lakhs. So where that money has gone?
My lord, if I may, what's happened from 2025, what's happened is he filed a case in Haryana. Then there was a transfer petition in Supreme Court. For litigation, he spent
Every month 3 lakhs to the advocate.
My lord, he's had 3 other advocates, my lord, and then only it's come to me. And over and above that, there's been travel. He's been coming down
Problem
for.
in this matter is they're ready to pay 2 lakhs to the advocate, but not even 20,000 to the wife and child.
We are willing to pay that. That's what I'm saying, my lord. Right now, what he is absolutely able to do is 20 to 25,000. He can definitely pay now. I will need to discuss with him. We'll need to just check out whether it's feasible, because if 50,000 is the claim being made, we'll have to see if it's feasible and we'll make us appropriate submission. We're not trying not to pay for the child or not take care of the child's expenses. We also want to be doing that.
But what about, from 27/11?
My lord?
27/11/23?
My lord, for the last 2 years, it's not that they have not been in contact, my lord. They have been in contact, my lord. It's just that the contact was cut from the side of the petitioner here, my lord.
When you want a very, generous order from the court, when you are not even questioned what is passed by the trial family court, when it comes to giving to your own son, you have your own reservations.
My lord, we do
and
not
you will
have.
say that this is prospectively, she is in touch, not in touch.
No, my lord, absolutely
But
not.
ultimately, somebody is taking care of your son.
Yes, we are, like I
earning
said, my
for
lord, we don't have any.
per month.
Yes, my lord.
So that you have
We don't have an issue taking care of the child at all, my lord. All I'm asking is if, whenever 3rd November, if that is going to be the next date, I will discuss with my client. We will work out, my lord. We are not at all in the position that we don't want to take care of the
So
child.
that will also play a role in the further orders that are going to be.
I understand, my lord. It is not at all our intention not to provide, my lord.
You understanding, you make him understand.
Yes, my lord, I will do that. I will need time for that, which is why I'm saying till on the next date, I will talk to him.
So
If
first of all, pay some amount. Forget
Yes.
about how we determine it as 25,
Sure.
50, nothing. What is the amount he is going to transfer right now?
my lord,
Ask him.
my lord, right away, 20,000 can be transferred, my lord. Right away, we can do that, my lord. And then monthly, like I said, till the next date, if I can get time, because I will also need to speak to him, make him understand what the situation is. I will need time for that. That is my only submission. We're not trying to escape from contributing to the child. We would like
Pass
to.
the orders once your client understands everything, you make him understand. I'll pass orders on visitation on 24th when the court reopens, 23rd when the court reopens.
Lord, visitations may not, may
Please
please
talk to
be
him.
permitted.
Please talk to him, and if he understands something, it's fine, or else I'll pass orders
My
on
lord,
24th.
right away, my lord, right away, we can do 20 to 25,000, my lord. Or
Yes, next.
Cell number 5. Kashmir George for petitioner. Yes, Raj Prabhu.
Respondent by me, please, your lordship. I would request for 2 weeks' time to file my objection. 75 paragraphs petition has been filed. But had it been, all the documents would have been filed by them.
What is the order?
Your lordship, there is an order of this honorable court passed on 16/6/2025, confirming the interim custody awarded by the city civil court to the petitioner wife. And with certain conditions granting the visitation rights to the father. And that is becoming that is become gone beyond the all control, and they are in fact misusing the orders every close of this Honorable High Court, and they are mentally and psychologically disturbing the child, and even telling that the mother is a prostitute and going to go with a person by name Jagan, and don't go home. 23rd, your mother will be arrested. And on the very first day of the visitation, 16/6, this Honorable Court confirms interim custody. And 20th, the mother is sending the child for the first visitation to the father. And 22nd, the child comes back on Sunday, says that tomorrow you are going to be arrested. My father told me not to go. And 23rd, a false POXO case is implicated on her. She is being arrested from her house in the early morning. And 24th, she is being released on bail. And in the bail conditions, clearly it is said that the
What is the
maximum.
POXO case against the mother?
In fact, there was a minor pornography between the mother and the other man, please your lordships. So under
No, your
section,
lordship.
may I submit, please? Now, please your lordships, with respect, under the compliance of section 21 of the POXO Act, the matter was reported to the police, and the police have filed the charge sheet saying that yes, there was some minor pornography being exchanged between the petitioner mother and the other man in this matter, please your lordships, and that matter is coming. In fact, that matter is coming up today.
Your lordship, page number 124.
Charge sheet is
The
filed.
bail order is there. Your lordship, it is gone in page number 130, your lordship. It is an observation of the Honorable FTSC while the bail was granted to her on the very next day morning, 10:30. She is being arrested 5:30, 6:30 in the morning and gets produced in the court at around 6:30. So that she goes to the JC with an intention that she goes to the JC. And page number 130, the observation made by the Honorable FTSC is, however, as per the reading of the first information, the gist of the offence that prima facie case gets attracted to the accused number 2 is one under section 151 of the Act, for which the punishment prescribed is fine of not less than 5,000, and in the event of the second or subsequent offence with fine not less than 10,000. They are bringing a man's photo with some child and says that he had sent it to her, which she wouldn't have deleted. Even in the extract obtained by the police also, that photo is not there in her mobile. It is sent for FSL. And for this, they are in collusion with the police, getting her arrested early morning on 23rd after the child was given back to her on 22nd, with all the advices that don't go to school tomorrow, your mother is going to be arrested. And in fact, I had kept a pen drive containing all the footages, which under the instructions of the office I had to remove, but the translation copies I've kept in page number 150, your lordship. Your lordship, from page number 150, this is what the child is speaking to the mother. The pen drive I had to remove. If the Honorable Court permits me, I will file the pen drive. Your lordship, these are the transcripts from with the time frame. The child is crying and telling that I don't want to go with them, I don't like them. And then Achama said they will come to school to pick me. I'm scared to go to school because they will come and take me away. I don't want to go with them, and starts crying. Mom trying to pacify the child and calms him down. And then next audio number 1, they said Anju Mama is Kalli, bad girl. They said we are given a case on her and she is in police station. Yesterday they said that Amma is in police station. Then they said don't go to Anju Amma, she is in police station, be with us only. Amma also come with me to this is your lordship. And also now they are filing this complaint much earlier to our first writ petition in the Honorable High Court. They keep it pending. They keep the complaint pending until this Honorable Court passes the orders. After the orders are being passed, then they are moving the applications, and suddenly, all on a sudden, even without a notice being given to her, she is very close to the police station, comes in the wee hours on the morning.
No, that is not part of the.
Yes, your lordship, but this is how he is doing. And it
decide-
is not only that, your lordship.
Listen to the court. I cannot decide or about whether the allegations are right, wrong.
Yes, your
What
lordship.
is the veracity of it? I'll not. So apart from that, what is that you want?
Yes, your lordship. And then thereafter, with respect to this case, there is a clause in the order of this Honorable Court that is in page number 121. That is order of this honorable court. Clause 2 says both the parents shall ensure that they do not
No,
speak.
that also I remember.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
And what happened? We are filing a petition.
The court now to pass an order that the father should not have the visitation.
No, your lordship. We actually filed another
When the trial court has given the custody to the
mother.
Yes. When it was assigned, balancing the interest of both the parties, court has passed a reasoned order. We have to look at the means by which this order can be implemented, or we can impose some restrictions on him. But I will not alter that order.
It's not only that, your lordship. Now,
Nothing else.
Your lordship, kindly 2 minutes. No, there are other submissions. This is not my main submission.
Yes, what are-
There are other submissions.
The
This
main
is not-
submission should be made first. Main submission should be made first.
Because the POXO case, she was really suffering because of the child custody.
What
and
I
it's
can
not-
do about
It's
that?
not that. No,
This court
I
can do.
want, it's malicious parental syndrome. This honorable high court only had passed an order with respect to that. Here they are doing that also. That is what I want to brought up. But this petition is not with respect to that. Your lordship, in this petition, in page number 12, there is a complaint I have submitted in the lower court also, and according to which I have complied to the orders of this honorable court, your honor. And even then, in spite of all that, citing that, your lordship, page number 142, your lordship. Your lordship, page number 140 onwards. Here, your lordship, as per the clause 7, they are suggesting that this honorable court has said the lower court only to take care of anything in violation of the clause 2, and visitation rights should not be changed. And hence they are insisting, even when the child does not have school also, they are insisting the child to be brought to the school and to give the child over there. And now one day when the child was sick, your lordship, the message is being sent on 4/7, July 4th, 2025. She is sending, child is at the hospital, post which my client, they want to see the child.
On 11th of November.
Your lordship, now they are taking the child every day, even when there is no school also, they want to take the child from the school.
As per the order of the court, whatever is the order of the court, it is, if somebody is violating, you have.
Your
your
lordship,
own-
they brought the Hoysala police to the house. They are creating problems in the house. They are filing another 3 NCRs on her, taking advantage of the orders. Hence my humble submission.
Please don't make that kind of submission. What is the advantage of the order?
Your lordship, at least he must be directed that he should not create problems and he has to come
How
home.
many times the court will tell him? Already the court
Kindly
in the
not,
earlier
kindly
order,
the order may be modified to that extent is my humble submission.
what is to be modified?
That if there is no school on such days, let him pick the child at the convenient place of the mother and the if the child is at home. And then if the child is sick, even if the hospital records are sent to him also, he is coming to her hospital and checking the child, and then later he is bringing the Hoysala police to the home, and every occasion he wants some police interference.
A court commissioner has been appointed by the lower court in executing the order of the court. These things have been suppressed, please, your lordships. The court commissioner accompanies the father. He goes to the house of the petitioner mother, and he helps in picking up the child, and the court commissioner is there till the child is dropped back.
Your lordship,
Now, please, your lordship.
I'll file one report of the court commissioner.
Yes.
Now, please, your
Kindly
lordship,
this.
even after the court commissioner is been appointed to assist the execution of the order of this court, even then, please, your lordship, the custody of the child is not been given to the court commissioner also, for which an application has been filed for disobedience of the court order, and the lower court has directed the petitioner mother to be present before the lower court tomorrow, please, your lordships. That is why they are trying to press upon a
No, your
order
lordship,
here.
court commissioner report is
Further,
there
please, your
very much
lordship,
here.
I would
He has
require
filed a very,
This is matter.
your
assistance of
lordship,
the court, please,
he
your
is not
lordship.
even paying the maintenance for the child
Third of
also.
November.
Your lordship, he has been ordered to pay 25,000 for the child.
Now,
Till
please,
today,
your
he has
lordship,
not paid
the
even 1
vacation for
rupee, your
this
lordship.
Diwali vacation, please, your lordships. 3 days the vacation is being lined up. If your
Your
lordship
lordship,
could consider
kindly
to
this may
give
be
the
looked
vacation
into, your
for Monday.
lordship.
I'll look in the next one.
I have brought the court commissioner report also here.
Next time.
6.
Yes.
Cell number 6,
Please.
Sebastian Rosario.
This matter, if your lordships recollect, was moved at the last minute to bring it on board on the last day. I failed to understand this because just to prevent the court from having an audience with the children. happened.
No, no.
Everybody either ways.
Because there was 1 week, I don't know why they could
Let's
not
not
have
make
moved it earlier.
My lordship, these allegations.
No, they could
you
have
have to
moved
put
it
it to rest.
earlier. I would have
Monday,
placed on record whatever I wanted to
Monday I
submit.
moved this memo.
It's on record in these cases.
Monday I moved the
Last
memo.
time, yes.
My lordship,
Please
Monday.
come to the impugned order. Please come to the impugned order.
Plus, this was a matter wherein Dasara, before Dasara also this
Respondent
had
is
come up.
hereby directed to hand over the custody of the minor children.
This matter has already been heard, my
Petitioner.
lord. It was altered the last time.
It was not heard. It was just.
To 27 till
And
the Diwali holidays.
overnight visitation was not given to him, only during the day. There is a
Plus,
POXO case
operative
also filed.
portion is at 21. Para 17 minutes. If your lordships recollect that.
Who is the petitioner?
The mother of your lord. My lordship, there is a POXO case filed against him, and with influence, he has got a B report obtained. If my lordship can permit me, I have
I
two
could say the same
sensitive
thing with
photographs.
influence of POXO cases filed.
Let me submit, please.
What is this
My lordship.
influence? I don't understand.
I have some sensitive photographs for my lordship to see and also a video. It is sensitive. This is what the child was suffering with. I've not taken copies of the photos also. I've written it in it. My lordship will see them. Take a look at what actually happened to the child.
Unless and until I see Millards, I will not be able to submit that at all. This was the day when she fell from the slide, I think. And just because the father attended, she files a POXO case. These are the photographs just taken, Millards, during Dasara.
I'll hear also, I'll hear you
Please,
also.
Millards, please. I'm so sorry.
Now, I have not even taken a copy of that. My lordship, those are two photographs in the envelope which it may be sealed after viewing those photos, and also a USB.
I have not been submitted.
My lordship,
Finished a
even when I
copy.
gave this to the police, I was told not to submit it because I would be arrested for child pornography.
Yes. I think earlier when this matter came up before the court, what is the order passed?
It was altered, my lord. Overnight stay was not given to him. From morning to evening, there were timings which are awarded to him.
Where is that order?
It's there in my previous date. Previous
in
date.
this case
Yes,
only?
yes, my lord. This case
But
already
it
had
was,
this case.
it was Dasara.
Yes, for Dasara.
Just
Because
on the
what
last
is-
day.
What has
just
been
before
given
starting
is
of the Dasara.
for Dasara, for Diwali also for Diwali holidays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.
What
on
is the age
20 to
of the
10.
child?
Age of the child is 5 years, my lord, now. This incident happened when she was 4.5. Even when I went to depose before the FTSC, he comes over there and he intimidates me.
Oh, wow. You're waiting till now. When was this filed, this petition filed?
This petition is filed on 23/9/25, immediately after getting the orders.
Hmm.
Without delay, I filed it. It has been heard by my lordship. And last vacation also was altered. Overnight was not given to him.
This is arrangement on the last occasion also.
Plus, may I just submit? Overnight was given during the holidays. Even Dasara also, they made the same thing so that the court could not have an audience with the children. However, it may be what the court said is from morning to evening, let the children go to the father. Plus, for Diwali, since the visitation is for Dasara, Diwali, summer, winter, and all of that. Now, again, they have moved the court. Because I said last time that I would like to produce some of the photographs. In fact, the children are asking during the Dasara holidays when he had occasion to spend time with the children, that why is it that they have to go back? Because that's the kind of time they had with the father. A B report is filed just because the child fell while sliding. There is a slide, my lords, in the park of the apartment. The child fell. She hurt herself. And he immediately addressed that issue to the doctor, called the mother, handed over the child along with the ointment, whatever was handed over by the doctor. Then a POCSO case is filed. Just because he attended to the daughter. Anyhow, be that as it may, even your lordship has also observed that it will not go into those aspects at all, whether that is true. However, B report is filed, they have filed protest petition, but they have been taking time because they obviously they want to keep that POCSO proceedings at bay. The fact remains that though the children want to spend overnight with the father, because as it is, he has only Sunday visitation. Now they bring POCSO aspect to make sure that he does not get to spend time. Let's just these photographs, and even I have videos just taken in Dasara, not the old videos, Dasara. And this is not video that he has photographed or anything. There is a CCTV camera installed. It's all naturally captured on that, which I will place before your lordships.
Children means the daughter and son.
So, daughter and son. Son is
The age of the son.
Son is, I think, 7 years, my lord. No, 8 years.
8 years.
8 years.
8 years. He's suffering from
Daughter
GDD.
is 5 years.
GDD, growth development deficiency. He's going for therapies. Now, father has also attended therapies. She's paying 1,20,000 per month for therapies, which he is not paying. He has attended over there. He's given his own opinion. So doctors extended the therapies. We are suffering financially also. This court has directed to pay only school fees. And even if that order is violated, the previous arrears he has not paid.
No, I'll submit.
Now, even when the previous order says in the presence of the grandmother or any female member of his family, he comes in his car and then the mother asks him, where is the female member? Court didn't tell me. Court didn't tell me. He's an American citizen. He has no respect for our courts.
Absolutely false.
See the child, the injury caused. I'm unable to, the police did not take it with a threat that child pornography case will be filed on her. When she deposes, she goes to the court. He comes over there. He sits quietly in the court. 3 times the name is called. He goes outside. Why that behavior?
Plus, I have the messages.
4.5-year-old girl child. 4.5-year-old
I have a message where he messages her that I will be coming up at
place.
10 a.m. to pick up the children. Where is the female attendant that you're supposed to? He's supposed to exercise the visitation rights in front of the female, not accompany while picking the children. Why is it made? And a brother, the petitioner's brother is brought, who is outside the court, creates a scene, ruckus. Why all that while picking the children?
recordings are
Why
there in
can't it be done in a very dignified manner, my lords? Why put the children into so much of a stress?
No, this court will interact with the children after Diwali vacation.
Definitely,
I'll
yes,
post
my
it
lords.
until then, the same.
Plus, in fact, today itself they can bring. I have no issues because I am not sure how the court is placed. I don't want to press on that.
Let them have the same visit. Once the court is convinced after
Please, my
having
lords,
an
I'm okay with that.
interaction with the children, whatever that is not granted by the court, because this is restricted to the custody to Diwali Christmas
overnight.
and Dasra.
Yes.
So what we do is, as of now, for the Diwali vacation also, the same day arrangement.
Plus only timing alteration, my lords.
Same day arrangement shall go on. After that, I'll interact. And if the court is convinced with what the children are saying,
please, my lords. By then I'll place the material also.
We'll grant the overnight custody.
Please, my lords.
Some other weekends also.
Please, my lords. Only one request, my lords. The timings, Dasara was different. Now because it's Diwali, of course they want to burst some
there
fire.
are only 3
these
days,
things.
my lord. 3 days, Diwali. I may also be permitted.
And that time.
My lords?
One day we will grant that time.
No, there are 3 days. He's been granted overnight. Let there be a timing mentioned where he'll also get to burst the firecrackers and all that.
I'm saying 20th, 21st and 22nd.
Yes.
So either on one of the day, let him have instead of 10 a.m., let it be on that day, 12 o'clock to 8 o'clock.
Plus, the prime festivals are on 2 days. The third day, of course, is not so
which is the
important.
day? What
Plus
day
20 and 21st are the prime days.
So when do you want it? 20th or 21st?
On
20th. So
20th.
let him have on 21st.
21st.
Remaining days, whatever the holidays that is.
There's no other remaining days, my lord. Only from 20th to 22nd. That's only 3 days.
Plus, there are 3
And then
days.
it goes to Christmas. It goes to Christmas.
Let's forget about Christmas.
Christmas, only 3 days.
So 20th, 21st and 22nd. That's what he gets. So 20th she'll spend. On 21st, 20th,
Is a
it is
Monday.
like daytime, 10 to 6, 10 to 6, whatever is the daytime letter. After evening, they'll spend.
That is on 21st for him.
Plus all the 3 days, it could
All
be the
3
same
days they
arrangement.
have, all the 3 days they have. Diwali, no, we'll.
One day for all, my lord.
Plus
She's a
only
mother, because
one thing, why I
does not
requested
get-
the
if all the
timing is,
vacations-
23rd is a holiday.
23rd is a holiday.
So what we do is,
It's not a holiday,
23rd,
my
no,
lord.
my lords,
23rd is not
20th,
holiday.
21st, 22nd. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
23rd is, it's not a holiday.
No, no,
Not a
23rd
holiday.
is not a
It's not a
holiday.
holiday.
19th is a holiday.
That's a Sunday, my lords.
19th is a
That
Sunday.
any which way he has visitation rights,
He's
I think.
exercising
on
his
that day.
visitation.
Yes.
So let it be on Sunday and then Tuesday for him. She has Monday and Wednesday with her because she's not getting any other vacation with the
Plus,
children.
may I suggest
She's not getting anything else. Even weekends, he's taking the children and going.
21st and 22nd, the timings may be suggested by your lordship. Instead of 10 to 6, my lords, a little till 8 o'clock so that he gets to burst the crackers, because at 6 o'clock it's not possible. That is all is my request.
The petitioner mother is before this court questioning the order of visitation where the father is given overnight custody on Dasra, Deepavali and Christmas vacation
And summer also.
and the summer vacation. This court on 26/9/2025 for the Dasra vacation has passed an order that on 27/9/2025, 28/9/2025, 29/9, 39, 110 and 210, the father shall pick up the children at 10 a.m. and shall drop them back by 6 p.m. It is also mentioned that the grandmother or some other female member of the family shall be present and the father is exercising the visitation. The order is very clear.
Which has happened. It's there.
That's
He has
violated, my
spent-
lord.
That is where he is.
King. I never said well.
See, visitation, no, visitation
You
starts
can
on.
call, you can make a video call, you can see what's happening, that I will.
Plus, it's
She
there.
went out,
Photographs
she
are
went
there.
out
The
of the
children can
apartment
be
to hand over
called.
the children. He created a ruckus over there.
Not he.
Shall be present when the father is exercising the visitation. Today, when the matter came up, land council appearing for the father submits that. Even at Dasara vacation, also the fag end of the vacation, there was no time for the court to interact with the children. This time also, if the court interacts with the children, court would be able to understand about how, what are their feelings, the children towards the father. The land council appearing for the mother submits that there are allegations, a complaint is registered in the POCSO Act. Thereafter, police have filed a P report. It is submitted that they have already filed a protest petition. The same is pending consultation, pending adjudication.
Evidence has commenced, my lord.
Pending adjudication. In those circumstances, at this stage, granting overnight custody to the father is not appropriate. Next for considering the submission of both the councils, this court deems it appropriate to pass the following order on
21st and 22nd.
22nd, on 21st and 22nd. Father shall,
Lordship, that is 19th also he gets to be with the child
He
Sunday.
gets hardly 3
Then
hours. That's
I'm
a day
unable to
visitation.
submit if she goes on like this.
That is his regular visitation.
on 21st and 22nd, the father can pick up the children at 10 a.m. and shall drop them back by 8 p.m. This court will interact with the children on
May I request a date after 8th of November, my lords? 9th, 10th, any date?
on 12th of November.
My lordship, one suggestion, this Sunday at least let us spend with the child, my lord, because there are 4 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Plus, she
On
gets
this-
to spend.
On this Sunday, let us spend.
On November 12th at 5 p.m.
5 p.m. my lords.
The court will interact with the children as well as both the parents. Next, number 3. The father is having the Sunday visitation as on 21st and 22nd. He is having the visitation from 10 o'clock to 8 o'clock. On 19th, the mother can spend time with the children. Basing on the interaction on what the how the basing on the interaction with the children, further orders will be passed.
My lordship, also the memo may be taken a record and 2 photographs are there. It may be
Plus,
sealed.
that
my
I am
lord.
not served at all.
Yes, next.
Cell number
Yes.
My lordship, just one clarification, my lord. This is 21st and 22nd with the father. Oblige. And 19th with the mother, 19th, 20th with the mother. Oblige.
number 2, being spoken to, cell number 1. Viresh K.
Appearing for responding line.
fact, yesterday your lordship had dismissed it
Yes.
and.
We are ready to, they will give the representative letter to the bank. We will ready to the things are there. We hand over them.
Yes.
May make one
This
submission, my
court,
lord.
this court, nothing, no more submissions.
No, no,
You
with
want
regard to
your-
my lord.
You want to take your articles, that you can take.
Please, my lord, but the fact that, my lord, yesterday, my lord, because of closing down everything, my lord, they have been driven to street. Somehow, my lord, they managed to at least take the shelter of his brother, my lord. My submission would be, my lord, Deepavali is happening. Lord, at least let them have some breathing time.
Then
My
I'll
lord,
not pass this order also.
I make this submission.
How can we, when they have already seized the premises, you say you want to take
No,
your
no,
thing?
I am not on the point of, my lord, extending it. I am ready to even, my lord, file whatever undertaking they want before the bank. My only submission is that, my lord,
Again occupy,
no, not occupying on, my lord, the fullest form. My lord.
whatever it is. At
least, my lord,
that order cannot be passed, Mr. Counsel. Please understand.
My lord, because of the fact that, my lord, too much of properties are there.
This court has,
My lord,
has dismissed the petition filed by the petitioner.
My lord, let
Then
there
in
be an
the-
order, my
then-
lord,
huh?
at least to take out all the belongings.
That's what I'm passing. Then, in the, in the evening before the court rise, the counsel for the petitioner made a submission that the articles are inside and the bank has seized the premises. Then this court has directed the matter to be listed and for being spoken to, and also directed the petitioner to inform the counsel for the respondent. Then counsel appearing to the respondent submits that if the petitioner comes up with a representation, they will accommodate the petitioner to take all the things considering the same. The petitioner shall give a representation and immediately the respondent shall consider and permit the petitioner to take his things. Yes, next.
Cell number 2 for orders. Vishwanath K.
Lord, I am appealing to the respondent in this matter.
Application under section 151 to accept the amount of 13 lakhs, my lord. I may be permitted to deposit the amount in the year,
No, what is this writ petition? What is this?
I have challenged in the position notice in the year 23, my lord.
Then?
After reading the matter, the honorable court has order for the stay the position notice and direct the petitioner to deposit the 1/3 of amount, due amount.
It's in, which is, when is the order passed?
23,
6/6/2023.
6/6/23.
Hmm.
I am not,
Now you are seeking permission to deposit.
yes, my lord.
My Lord, before that,
DD
I
also
want to
ready, my lord.
clarify certain facts.
They
My
have
lord, this
taken the
petition-
position also, my lord.
My Lord, I would
All the
like to bring
family
certain.
members are in the street, my lord.
No, it is not that. First of all, the court has interfered in a position notice, accommodated you by asking you on the condition that you should pay the amount.
Yes, ma'am.
That's passed in the year 23.
23.
25, you come up with a DD and the court has to give a direction to the respondents to accept it. I will dismiss this writ petition first. Then we will, whatever follows, follows.
My Lord, one more submission I want to make in this
Yes.
matter, my Lord. After this writ petition, my Lord, they did not deposit. On 9/9/2025, we took the physical possession of the property.
9/9?
2025. And thereafter, they have filed one more WP challenging that order.
That is?
In WP number 28257 of 2025, there is no order passed in that writ petition, my Lord. That is still pending before this honorable court.
Questioning the possession.
Questioning the section 14 order. We have already taken the physical possession and they asked.
What is that number? List is matter along with.
28,
This is matter along with-
28257.
You write it on a paper and
Please,
give.
my lord.
This is matter along with so and so on 19th of November.
No, my lord, date 23rd or 24th, my lord.
Right? There are so many matters on that day. We can't.
No, my lord.
My lords, with your permission, I'm for respondent number 6 in this matter. We've engaged Mr. Uday Holla, my lords. He's not available today. Any
I
date, my
oppose
lords?
any adjournment in this case. Kindly see the last order. This is a case, my lord. In 1997, 1,512 families belonging to economically weaker section were allotted apartments for a consideration of 30,000 rupees executing lease cum sale deeds. And the buildings collapsed like matchboxes, killing about 6 people. The corporation, which had built the entire apartments, evacuated them, and 1,512 families were in the street. Several writ petitions were filed, and I've been involved as a pro bono matter since then. And direction was given by this honorable court for BBMP to rebuild, which they did not do. Then clandestinely, what they did was they entered into a public-private partnership. The land is already, there's an observation of the division bench of this honorable court, because an undivided interest has been created with respect to 1,512 families based on the lease cum sale deed. The title has passed on 1,500 families. These BBMP fraudulently enter into a public-private partnership to develop 70% of the land for commercially and then 30% to build apartments not only for these people. So we were constrained to file a writ petition. And an order was passed by the division bench of this honorable court, clearly saying that what was done is totally per se illegal. And thereafter, BBMP came before the honorable court and said, we have no money, BBMP virtually said, we are bankrupt, we can't do anything. And thereafter, a proposal came for, why don't you have a negotiated settlement? And I was a master trainer in mediation for the Supreme Court also. And a suggestion was made, these people will never get a roof. Why don't you sit and resolve it? Based on which a settlement was reached and matter was ordered by the Honorable High Court that 50% of the development land should be developed and for EWS people, and the building should be first constructed. Thereafter, they should commercially exploit. That is the condition in 1.1 in the concession agreement. Thereafter, this order was passed on 28th of August 2012. Till this day, the building, these people are still suffering not a roof on their head. Again, a contempt petition was filed, and there was a blame game going on. The developer blamed the BBMP blamed BDA. This was going on, and nothing happened. We have discovered later why this has happened. Then again, in 2022, filed one more writ petition. An undertaking was given that they'll complete the structure within 18 months. In the meanwhile, what has happened is the developer, the concessionary, and certain officials of BBMP have illegally mortgaged 50% of the land in favor of a company called, the respondent, that is India Bulls, now called Survey. And the Saman Capital came out with a 13-2 notification trying to auction the property. Pursuant to the order passed by the Honorable Division Bench, we moved an application way back on 24th of April 2024 to cancel the concession agreement. That was, unfortunately, it was not getting listed for various reasons. So when I moved the moment we saw this notification coming up, when we moved the Honorable Division Bench, an observation was made, why don't you move the regular court because the DRT proceedings. So we filed this writ petition. When we filed the writ petition, and statement of objections has been filed in this writ petition, kindly come to page 10 of the statement of objection filed by them. Statement of objection. Which one? Then. Okay. So, sorry. Kindly, what is the page? The trial court matter. Where is it? Ask him itself. So, a submission was made saying that there's an order passed by the Honorable the Division Bench that all matters pertaining to the development of this land should be brought before the Honorable the Division Bench of this Honorable Court. So again, we moved. So this matter was filed, and the matter went off to it's been clubbed in B group. We moved the matter, and it's being heard already parted by the Honorable Division Bench, and matter is listed on 5th. And where is their objection? No, they have filed earlier. So a statement was made at that point of time to avoid the interim order, saying that this matter has to be heard only by the Division Bench. This is the statement made. And so accordingly, now we have filed an application that, as per the directions of the Honorable High Court, in the Division Bench of this Honorable Court, the matter has to go back there. Now they have filed an objection. Yesterday, they've served around 4 o'clock. 2 contentions they have raised, saying that this petition has become infructuous. And second, that we have taken a similar stance there. In this petition, we have challenged the execution of the mortgage deed. The reason being, there is a finding by the Honorable Lokayukta. The Lokayukta very clearly says that BBMP had no right whatsoever to create a mortgage. A copy of them has been already served on them, but may I read, my lord? So, now what the Honorable Lokaitya says is that BBMP had no authority to mortgage the land. Can you pass a copy of the? Where is this? In which petition is this?
This is in this petition.
But before that, my lord, my lord, may I take page 69 of my petition? Page 69 of my petition before my lords could go into Lokaitya report.
Yes.
It gives total history. This is the order passed by the division bench. As page 69 of my petition. As far back as in the year 1990.
I do not find page. Look at it.
Page 69, ma'am.
Where is it?
It's here, no?
Where is the main declaration?
It is here.
No right.
No, Lokaitya report. I trouble my lords to go to the writ petition first before. Page 69 of my writ petition.
69.
Lokaitya Varibla.
When I'm looking at page 69.
Where?
What is the? 69?
Annexure D, man. Annexure D, page 69. Annexure D is 67, relevant page is 69.
Yes.
This case has been kept open, my lord. As far as back, that is on order dated 10/7/2012. As far back as in the year 1996, an agreement of lease cum sale was entered into various persons numbering 1,512 in Bengaluru Mahanagara Palika, now it's BBMP. The parcel of land at measuring 22 acres and 3-storied buildings, ground first and second floors, tenements were constructed spreading over 42 blocks. One of the terms of the agreement of lease cum was that the person would have proportional share over the land. Unfortunately, the construction was so defective and the occupants have to be evacuated. We are informed that Lokaitya looked into the matter and that a department inquiry was also initiated. Despite passage of over 1 year, the inquiry was not come into its culmination. It was in this background that the writ petition number so-and-so came to be considered by the division bench, which on 12/12/2009 passed the following directions. Taking into consideration the new construction is yet to come up and that erstwhile occupants were made to live in temporary sheds, we deem it necessary to direct the learned government advocate to take notice on behalf of the Housing and Urban Development Department and direct the Housing and Urban Development as well as the respondent corporation to take appropriate steps for sanction of funds and to proceed with the construction. Thereafter, identify the erstwhile authorities and allot the same to them as expeditious as possible. The division bench, it is manifestly clear, did not permit BBM to enter into any contract with third parties for reconstruction of flats earlier allotted to 1,512 persons belonging to economically weaker section. We reiterate that as per the text of the agreement of lease cum sale, Annex C to the petition, these persons had indivisible right over the land. The Housing and Urban Development Department as well as the BBMP have taken no steps for sanction of funds till date. Reconstruction of the flats has not commenced. Prima facie, therefore, entering into a contract tantamounts to contempt of the orders of the division. Must be department dated 2012/2009. Also, prima facie, the transaction entered by BBMP third parties in respect of the land, which 1,512 EW has been held a right, may also amount to various criminal offences. It appears that as per the contract entered into BBMP and a third party, 1,640 flats are now proposed to be constructed. The increased flats were told.
What has happened to this writ petition?
This writ petition is coming up for hearing on 5th.
So why can't this matter also be?
That's what my application that I filed is to, and moreover, there's a specific order. Kindly come to Annexure F, and there's the order.
Page number?
Page number 86. The relevant paragraph will be page number 102 at para 10. There's a specific direction Registry is directed to place any writ petition if filed in future pertaining to project of development of housing complex for economically weaker section.
Where are you reading?
Para 10 at page 102, my lord.
Para 10.
Registry is directed to place any writ petition if filed in future pertaining to the project of development of housing complex
Yes.
for economically.
Yes.
So this has to go. So unfortunately, when I filed my application for cancellation of concession agreement, for various reasons, it was not listed at all. But we were directed by the bench at that time, because it pertains to surface proceeding, go before an appropriate bench. This was fine. Now, this was a stance taken by in the statement of objections when they opposed the interim order. Now that matter has been taken up and is being heard already, part heard as such. So I filed it appropriate to avoid conflict of decisions that should be considered there. And moreover, the objection that they have filed is that both the reliefs that's out there are parallel. It is not that parallel. Here we have challenged the cancellation of mortgage deed, which is per se illegal as held by the Lokayukta report, which I'll be permitted.
My lords, I am led by senior counsel. Kindly have done 24th or
This is the
25th,
time.
my lords.
No, any whatever.
My lords, I need to be heard. I need to be heard. We have objection.
Come and submit them, my lord.
You can submit.
My lords, section 32 notice we have withdrawn. We have filed it along with my objection also. And with regard to the cancellation of mortgage deed, my lord, he has filed I number 2 of 25.
It is not an unconditional withdrawal.
Before the quote on number 1, my lords. Kindly have it on 24th, my lords. We will make necessary
Is the
submission.
matter coming up before?
5th
the
November,
my
my
lord.
lords.
5th.
November.
5th of November. 5th of November. In the meanwhile,
Ultimately, this has to go.
it
before
has
the
to go.
bench.
And
One-
every time,
one-
last time also the
once, my
same
lords.
plea was taken.
Because this matter is pertaining to that property where already a
moreover-
petition is pending. This has to go.
Moreover,
Because the
we have,
same-
in this matter, we have placed evidence
on, 25th,
Obliged.
24th, my lord.
24th.
24th. Much obliged.
Yes.
Along with number is Madam.
Yes, next.
Case number 4.
My lord, I am appealing to the respondent.
I'll just submit. So there's a unique problem here, my lord. What has happened is this, the original debtor, he had a loan in Allahabad Bank, my lord, the principal debtor in this case. So I'm an advocate, the petitioner here is an advocate. What he did, he entered into an agreement of sale with this property and he spent about 10 lakhs. Total consideration was 40 lakhs. The person, this original debtor, they cleared the loan in Allahabad Bank after my agreement, about 6 or 7 months later. Then without my knowledge, they have entered into another agreement, loan mortgage with another bank. That is the ICICI Bank. They've taken about 50 lakhs or 60 lakhs. My lord. Today, the outstanding is about 60 to 62 lakhs, 64 lakhs. My lord, in the meantime, the landlord has given possession to me and I'm sitting there. My lord, I'm caught in a situation where possession, magistrate has directed taking of possession. I'm caught in a situation, my lord, where if the landowner and bank, all of us sit together, there is a chance that this could be settled.
First of all, however, a petition is maintainable
I know.
by
I understand.
agreement holder.
I understand.
That too in a
Agreement
surface
holder.
proceedings.
I'm willing to deposit 20% if it is kept in escrow.
Yesterday, the similar matter has come.
I know. I know, my
I've
lord.
dismissed it.
Yes, my lord. What I would.
Because the question is,
Yes.
whatever that works out, it has to, but court can't say you are an agreement holder, surface proceeding or between the borrower and the bank.
Yes.
And you have no locus in this petition.
Yes. No, but my agreement is before the
No,
loan
but
agreement.
as you know, it is a registered mortgage.
Correct. But can I make one suggestion? This.
There can't be any judicial order as far as you are concerned. Because as you know, the Supreme
Yes.
Court is heavily coming down on the.
I'm
for
aware
that,
of. I'm aware of
unnecessary-
all this law and
No,
position.
I'm not saying you're not aware of the law.
Yes.
How particularly with regard to the judgment of the Karnataka High Court, the recent judgment of what the
Yes.
Supreme Court has passed.
Yes. But only indulgence that I seek is that on the next date of hearing before your lordships, let the bank and the landowner come, lord. Beyond that, I will not seek any indulgence. Let us see if we can just mediate and settle. That's all. Yeah, a possibility. That is all.
I cannot say that by passing any order. If
But
if
Lord,
they're ready, they let them come.
Yeah, one apprehension we have is
Hmm.
that now since magistrate has issued this coercive order, therefore that is to take possession. I'm in possession, I'm sitting there, the advocate and his family. Let till next date of hearing, Lord. I will not ask anything beyond that. Next date could be next week only. I will take Dasti service. Let it come before your lordships.
I cannot pass any order because the writ petition itself is not maintainable. I have to write even for passing an interim order, so and so has come
No,
before
Lord,
the
what
court.
I'm saying is,
But I say,
let
is an
this be
agreement
taken up.
order,
Yeah, let this
and,
be taken up on 24th itself, 7 days from now.
But I will not, no interim order. I can adjourn it by till 24th.
Very well, Lord. 24th, it could be posted.
This is matter on 24th.
Yes,
Yes.
please. Let notice go, madam.
So
we
and
are
so
on
takes
record.
notice
I
on
think
behalf of
landowners,
the.
they are for the bank. Landowners can take
So and
justice.
so takes notice on behalf of, you're for the first respondent.
I am the, for the bank, my lord.
First or second?
First.
First respondent, so and so takes notice.
And
on
Dasti
behalf-
service on the landlords.
Second, to the second respondent, that's notice.
Yes,
2 and 3.
yes. In the meantime, Lord, I'll just speak to the bank.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Serial number 5, here in B group.
Appearing for the petitioner in this case, my lord.
What is
And-
this non-compliance of office
Sir, I am
objections?
filing memo for withdrawal, my lord, with liberty to approach the DRT, my
Yes,
lord.
take that.
I am filing memo for withdrawal. On same cause of action, I will approach the debt recovery. tribunal.
Memo is filed. Why are you waiting from 24 to do this? Land counsel for the memo is filed, seeking to withdraw the petition with the liberty to approach DRT. Well, what is the cause of action to come to this court?
Challenging the surface.
Challenging the
Surface.
14.
Sale notice. E-action sale notice dated 29/7.
Any interim order is granted by this court?
Interim order granted.
I have
They
deposited
have
the
deposited
amount
only
also,
2.5 lakhs, sir.
What is outstanding?
1 crore 39 lakhs and that.
I will comply the interim order also, my lord.
1 crore 38
39 lakhs
He paid?
plus interest from
He paid?
20. They paid only 2 lakh 50,000.
And enjoying the interim order from 2024.
1 year, 2 months they have enjoyed.
The memo is filed seeking to withdraw. The petition is permitted to withdraw this petition with the liberty to avail the appropriate remedy.
Subject to limitation.
With the avail the appropriate remedy, subject to the law of limitation. Yes, next.
Serial number.
Much.
Yes.
Serial number 6.
Yes.
It is.
Appear for respondent number 2, my lord, in 6 and 6.1.
Huh?
In serial number 6 and 6.1.
Yes.
The two matters have been connected, my lord. That is the bank.
Yes.
But they sought for a mandamus where the properties are not the secured debts, assets which have been a mortgage. My property, millet, you lost me, kindly have a look at the sale deed. It is in Kannada. However, millet, it is dated on 4/12/2006.
4/12?
4/12/2006, which has been given in my name by the original mortgager by virtue of a sale deed. RTC is ink page number 20, that is annexure A2. Thereafter, millet, they take a possession under section 14. Though they are not the secured assets. The Panchanama was drawn by including my property.
To say that the property was mortgaged.
Mortgage.
Mortgaged property is sold to you.
No. Before the mortgage itself, it was sold to me. That was not the part of the mortgage at all. The total millet 45/3, survey number 45/3 measures 26 guntas.
Your objection?
Please, my lord, before my learnership begins, the main contention of the petitioner is that a part of survey number at land at survey number 45/3 have been in excess to what has been mortgaged has been taken possession to. But I need to verify and seek instructions in that regard, my lord. I'll file my statement. Kindly 2 weeks may be granted. I'll file my statement.
There are live stocks in the godowns are there. Live stocks have been seized away. Or perishable goods. That is why millet I am.
Entered appearance.
Lord, on the last occasion, I've entered appearance. Lord, I shall.
Because in matter of this nature, either you should come up with your objections or court has to grant stay because you are asking time.
But I'll file my statement. A week's time may be granted.
This is matter on 27th.
The second matter, the objection is, the officer objection has written a note that the D1 and D2 are the same components, component documents. That is the back to back, it is there.
We'll see on the list. Yeah. 7.
Cell number 7 absent.
Highly observed.
Number,
Now what about that password?
the Passover matter. Passover.
Where is the advocate?
Cell number 4. List number 14, cell number 4.
I've spoken to my client, 45,000, we will be able to spare, we will be able to transfer monthly. We can do that right away, the first installment, my lord. Only one submission. Like I said, till March 2026, he's got job security. But because his bosses have said they'll review his performance and whether or not, so just subject to him having the job, that's the only submission. But even then, we are looking for other jobs. He'll also focus on trying to improve his performance at the job so that he doesn't lose the job. But till March 2026, he's got job security in this current job. 4 lakhs is his income, 45,000. We will transfer it right away, the first installment. Our only submission would be, my lord, till November 3rd, as his honorable court said, the daily visitation arrangement till November 3rd, if we can get to see how it will realistically work, because there will be days if he's not able to make it.
That you can come back to the court.
Yes, my lord. And only one more submission, that the respondent may please be introduced by the petitioner as the father. That no, just to introduce him as the father on your first visitation. That's the only submission, and not to
Let them start doing it.
yes.
But the object of facilitating daily visitation is so that the child also becomes acquainted with the father.
Of course.
That's the whole
We
purpose.
truly respect that, and we thank you for the same thing. But just that, my lord, that I've instructed my client not to make any kind of conversations regarding the case, regarding any matrimonial disputes that they have in front of the child. That was also ordered by the lower court. The same may also be followed by the petitioner.
The mother is before this court questioning the order passed on
Yes.
file number 3 and 4, whereby the father is permitted for visitation of the child on every Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Yes.
The boy is aged about 3.5 years. It is submitted that the father is residing in Haryana, and for the purpose of seeing the child, he has taken permission and he has come down to Bangalore for 3 months. Though the order impugned is not questioned by the father, considering the fact that he has come to Bangalore to see the child and is available to facilitate the father and the child to develop a kind of rapport. This court deems it appropriate.
Lord, may record my consent also. We are
Concerning, this court has suggested that let the mother facilitate the father to have visitation on every day in the evening when the boy is playing, when the boy is in the play area of the apartment. The learned counsel appearing for the mother submits that mother absolutely has no objection to exercise the visitation. Further, it is submitted that the father has not taken any responsibility and he has never paid any amount towards the maintenance of the child. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent father on instructions as a father is present before the court submits that the father is ready to pay an amount of rupees 45,000 per month. It is the father is working and earning 4 lakhs. His contract with the company is till March 2026, and he has no problem to pay. If the job continues and his contract is renewed, you will continue to pay. Otherwise, it would be brought to the notice of the court if any changed circumstances. Considering all this court is passing the following order. 1. On the day of Diwali, that is on
22nd.
22nd, subject to the convenience of the father and the mother, the father can visit the child for 2 hours.
My lord, at least three hours, my lord. The
Very well.
paternal grandparents are
3
also
hours.
Very
here
well.
before.
For 3 hours. Number 2, the father shall immediately transfer an amount of, no, before that, on every day between, you said 6:30 to 7:30.
Between 6:30 to 7:30, my lord, and weekends, any two consecutive
6:30
weekends.
to 7:30, the father can exercise the
My lord,
visitation.
6 to 7:30, between 6 to 7:30.
Between 6 to 7:30, the father can exercise the visitation in the play area. If for any reason it is not convenient to the father, he shall inform about the same to the mother in advance in advance a day before, or at least in the morning of the
My lord, just one submission to that extent. In case there is any emergency at work that arises, say in between. No, we might not be able to inform like in the morning itself. As soon as we get to know of any inconvenience, we'll immediately inform. Just that one option.
Then what is the purpose of informing it?
No, my lord.
Because she should have her own alternative.
Absolutely. We're not denying that. At the earliest instance,
Those
we
kind
will
of
do,
emergencies
including
every
morning.
day will not come.
It'll not,
Penalty
just
should be
for the few
yes.
exceptions, that's all.
And but at least by the morning on the day in which, the day on which. he
Earliest
exercises the
instance, we will inform a lot.
Inform. Then on, she wants on 2 Saturdays
Any
by
weekend.
the, so 1 minute. We will say on 19th, not 19th, that's on 25th
5th and 2nd,
Consecutive
25th and 1st.
25th and 1st.
Yes.
On 25th happens to be Saturday.
Saturday.
Yes.
It's 26th, it's Saturday or Sunday?
25th is Saturday.
Any Saturday or Sunday is
25th
feasible.
and on 25th October and 1st November, the father can exercise visitation during the daytime for about 3 hours, subject to the time. Parties, both the parties shall ensure that the visitation goes on smoothly without giving any kind of inconvenience to the boy. The father shall transfer an amount of rupees 45,000 immediately and shall continue to pay the same by 5th of every succeeding month.
Grateful.
My lord, one humble submission that the paternal grandparents be also. Yes, my lord, Diwali, and if on November 3rd, if this everyday arrangement is feasible, they are also willing to move down. We'll make appropriate submissions on that day, but
on that time
they will be
On
able to.
November 3rd, whenever the father is visiting, if the paternal grandparents are present, they are also at liberty to visit.
My lord, also that the child may be introduced
That she
as
will
the
say
father.
that.
Just making the submission.
Yes.
Obliged.
List number 3, serial number 1. List number 3, serial number 1.
The petitioner in this matter, my lord, we have complied all the office
Same as-
objections. My lord. We had 2 objections, that is pagination and
It is
condonance.
submitted that the office objections are complied with. What did the office say?
That is, delay needs to be mentioned and IA to be continuously paginated.
When you,
Well, of course of the day, we will comply. My
it
lord.
is submitted that during the course of the day, the office objections will be complied with. Let's this matter, so objections are complied with. It's
Serial
to
number 2, Aminullah.
notice to the respondent.
Serial number
Stay may be
3.
granted, my lord. Interim stay may be granted.
258 days, why you have not filed?
Because I was not knowing about the case. Only after filing of the execution, I have come to know about this case, your lordships.
Why you, it's an ex parte order.
I just filed a memo, that's all, your lordship. Apart from that, I have not conducted the case at all.
That means you are aware of the pending
So
proceedings.
only after the execution, I came to that warrant has been issued.
Notice is served,
Yes, your lordships.
then why did you not contest?
But I was not knowing about the case, your lordships. It's in Mysore, your lordships. I was not knowing about the
That
case.
submission we cannot accept. You say you.
Because
you have-
I am on
you
the
file
agriculture.
your,
I just filed a memo, that's all, your lordships. Apart from that, I didn't file any wakalat.
So what does it mean? That you are aware of the
Aware of the
proceedings,
case, but
you
till-
have not contested,
Yes.
and now you let everything go on. When execution is filed, you come before the court, put 250 days delay, and you want stay from the court.
No, I will deposit some amount, Your Lordship,
No,
because
some
already.
amount.
No,
If you want stay, number one, whatever is the amount, let me look at it. That is one to be paid, and at that amount, from the date of the order till
Yes.
now, arrears at that amount has to be paid.
Lord, I am
If
an
you are
agriculture.
agreeable for that, I will at least take the file.
I am an agriculturist, my lord, and the petitioner, the respondent number one is a working woman, Your Lordship. She has not filed any assets and liabilities before the court below, Your Lordship.
You don't think-
Already she has
you
got
don't
married, Your
make
Lordship.
all these contentions without contesting the matter.
50% of the amount I will pay to Your Lordship.
Arrears also.
Total amount comes around 775, Lordship. I have paid some 50,000 rupees on the last occasion, Your Lordship.
It's a pure abuse of process, coming to the court like this and court mechanically granting, condoning the stay, granting, first, that too when you come before the court with this much of delay, why should we consider without notice to the respondent?
Already she has got married, Your Lordships.
Then if she is married, she is not entitled.
Yes, Your Lordship, but I have to pay the child, Your Lordship. I am ready to pay the child, Your Lordship.
For the child or the wife?
To both, Your Lordships.
How much to the child?
24,000 rupees per month. 24,000 per month, Your Lordship, as per the order of the court below.
21,000?
25,000, Your Lordships.
25,000.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That is 12,500, 12,500.
Yes, Your Lordship.
How many months? When is the
Date of order is on the.
not date of order? What about it is from the date of order or from the date of petition?
The filing of petition, Your Lordship.
A petition is when?
On 13/3/23, Your Lordships.
13/3?
23, Your Lordships.
23.
Almost it comes from 31 months, Your Lordships.
30?
31 months it comes, Your Lordship. 7,75,000 it comes, Your Lordship.
What is your income?
I'm an agriculturist, Your Lordships.
The present petition is filed with a delay of 258 days. It is submitted with the land council. The petitioner is not aware of the judgment till the EP is filed. It is submitted that he is an agriculturist. The court, without considering what is the income of the petitioner, had granted an amount of 25,000 and is not in a position to pay. Considering the same, we shall stay a call for the proceedings on the condition that the petitioner shall pay an amount of rupees 12,500 by 5th of every succeeding month, and the arrears at 50% shall be paid within a period of 12 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. Either of the conditions are not complied with, the stay granted by this court stands vacated. Next.
Cell number 3.
Notice to the respondent. Yes.
Cell number 3, Rishmita K.
I am appearing for the petitioner in this case, Lordship. Lordship, as per the interim order, petitioner has paid the amount, Lordship. And even though the High Court has granted interim order, the respondent is proceeding in the execution case, Lordship, CMS number 100 of 2020.
You have to show this to the court.
We have shown it to.
It is submitted that the order of the court is complied with. No representation for the respondent. Does this matter?
Petitioner Mallikarjun B. Raika.
No representation.
Appear for respondent, my lord. Appear for respondent, my lord.
because
What the date is given?
25/10, sir.
Yes, 5.
Cell number 5.
Yes, Mr.
Appear for
Mohan.
respondent, my lord.
My lords, in this case, your lordship may remember, my lords, that the matter was. Am I audible, my lords?
We'll hear it on Saturday.
My
This
lord,
matter on Saturday.
one request I would like to make, my lords. The matter is coming up before the trial court on Saturday, my lords. Last week, what had happened is an NBW was issued, my lord, and the police went and they treated very shabbily the petitioner.
Then I'll pass orders, final orders. I'll not grant stay.
No, my lord.
I'll pass final orders.
Yes, my lord, because the police are exploiting the situation. They are expecting money, my lord.
Yes. Let's see. What is the order impure?
My lord, what has happened is the petition comes to be filed for maintenance for both the mother and daughter, my lord. And I appear before the trial court, my lord, before the family court on 8/1/25. To invite your lordship's attention to page 33, my lords.
The court has granted 20,000 per month.
Yes, my lords. And 6,000 rupees.
6,000 per month to the second petitioner.
Yes, my lords.
26,000 is granted.
Yes, my lords. Plus 1 lakh rupees.
What is your income?
My lords, it was 80,000. I had filed an affidavit. It is 80,000, my lords. I had filed an affidavit on 2/7/25 as per the direction of this honorable court, because right now I am jobless, my lord. This court had instructed me to file an affidavit saying what was your previous employment and what was the salary you were earning, which I have furnished, my lords, as per which I was drawing 80,000, my lords.
What was your previous salary?
It was 80,000, my lords.
When did you lose your job?
Your lordship could find that at page 17.
In the August 2024, my lord. In the August 2024, my lord.
Have you contested this matter?
My lord, what had happened is on 8/1/25 I appear, my lords. I appear and I inform the court I am ready to take back the respondent, my lords. Thereafter, the matter was called on 24/1, my lords. Because my mother was sick, I could not go on 24/1. And the court noted that and posted the matter to 6/2, my lord. And on that day, the petitioner evidence was held and cross-examination was taken and it was posted to 14/2 for arguments, my lord. In a span of 1 month, the entire proceedings got over, my lord. In the second week of February, I approached an advocate and request him to represent me before the court, my lord. And he, on going to the website, he says that the matter has already been disposed of, my lords. My mother was sick. She was suffering from right frostbite, my lord, which I have furnished the document at page 38, my lord. Just 2 days after my first appearance before the court.
What do you say?
So I could not appear before the court for 1.5 months, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Mallikarjun.
May I request, my lord, kindly see, my lord. Total, my lord, is absent, my lord, 5 times, my lord. He is not engaged in any counsel. He is a party in person. He is conducting his case, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, total, my lord, 5 times he is absent. And also, my lord, one more thing, my lord, he is getting salary, my lord, as per, kindly see, my lord, para number 15 of the impugn order, my lord.
He says he lost the job.
My lord, he is lost, my lord, he lost, kindly see, he is, before that, my lord, he is earning, he is, my lord, 16 lakhs, my lord, he is working in, my lord, software company, my lord. That is American company, my lord.
Which statement it is?
And also, my lord, even though, my lord, as per order of the trial court, my lord, is not deposited, my lord, we have issued only 30,000. As per calculation, my lord, it will come, my lord, 4,12,000. And also, my lord, expenses of the child, my lord, 1 lakh, is nothing has been, my lord, is not paid, my lordship. And also in maintenance.
I'm asking you, he has not contested. That is an admitted fact. Number 2, what is his income? According to him, he lost his job in the year 2024.
My lord, he himself resigned his job, my lord. Company is not terminated, my lordship. He himself resigned his job, my lordship.
So what is to be done now?
Kindly see my order sheet, my lord. Order sheet, my lord. 5 times he absent, my lord. No, my lord, you filed this, my lord, medical ground of mother of the petitioners, my lordship.
My lord, what I am asking is temporary accommodation.
Sufficient opportunity has been granted by the trial court, my lord.
I don't want
you
to
know the proceedings, my lord.
How much your client is ready to pay?
My lords, at this stage, till I get some job, I am making at any reasonable amount, my lord, because I'm not trying to shy away from paying the
No,
maintenance.
no, I'm not granting any interim order. You come up with some amount, that amount you pay. I'll remand the matter to the trial court, let the trial court decide it.
Lord, till the trial court decides, I may be directed to pay 10,000 per month, my lords, because right now I have to take care
What
of my.
about the arrears? Arrears who will pay?
My lord, I may be giving breathing period for that, my lord. It's not that I don't want to pay, my lord. I'll pay each and every.
Arrears,
Yes.
arrears also at 10,000 you pay.
At the rate of 10,000, I'll pay. For arrears, I may be given little.
10,000 from the date of petition till now.
Very well, my lord. For that, for arrears, I may be giving little breathing period, my lords. Because without
8
job, I
weeks.
find it difficult to get even loan, my lords.
Please come.
My lord, regarding my lord education institutions, kindly see, my lord, the child, my lord, she has to, my lord, pay the second installment fees, my lord. Nothing has been paid, my lordship. This is education expenses, my lordship.
She herself is a graduate, my lord, engineering graduate.
2025, whereby the court had granted 20,000 to the wife and 6,000 to the husband, to 6,000 to the daughter, and to pay 1 lakh educational expenses. The father is the husband is before this court. Then counsel appearing for the husband submits that initially has entered a parents, and thereafter, as his mother was not feeling well, within a matter of he could not appear, and within a matter of 2 months, the entire proceedings were completed. The court had granted compensation. It is submitted that he had lost a job, and now he is not in a position to pay. As he has not contested the matter, he could not bring all these facts to the notice of the court. Next one. When counsel appearing for the respondent submits that he has not been terminated from service. In fact, he only left job. Then counsel submits that he is not taking care of the educational expenses of the children, and it has become very difficult for the wife to take care of the child and her educational expenses. Next one. Having heard so and so, so and so. There is no dispute about the fact that in spite of service of notice, the petitioner had not contested the matter. It is also an admitted, undisputed fact that within a matter of 2 months from the date of his appearance, everything is concluded. He has filed an affidavit before this court that he has lost a job in the year 2024. 2024. In these circumstances, this court deems it appropriate to give an opportunity to the petitioner. However, till the petitioner by setting aside this order and remanding the matter to the court, till pendency of the pending disposal of the petition before the court, the husband shall continue to pay 10,000 and shall even the arrears also at 10,000. He shall continue to pay 10,000 by 5th of every succeeding month, and the arrears at 10,000 shall be paid within 8 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the order.
My lords, 4
Then when
installments.
it comes to the educational expenses, the petitioner shall pay 50,000 towards the educational expenses of the child, accordingly disposed of.
Cell number 6.
My lords, for arrears, I seek a request for 4 installments, my lords. The entire, including
I said
education.
8 weeks.
No, my lord.
4 installments
8 weeks.
of 4 weeks each, 4 installments, my lords. I seek this accommodation, my lord. Because
At
I'm
least,
jobless.
then we will do 3 installments
4 weeks
within
each.
8 weeks, within 12 weeks.
Grateful, my lord.
My lord,
Yes.
date, my lord, appearance of the, my lord, appearance of the
Parties
party,
without
my
the
lord, date,
notice will appear before the court on 4th of November, and
please.
on the date itself, they shall file their respective statement of assets and liability.
Grateful.
Cell number 6.
I'm acting for respondent in this case.
Radhakrishna.
I pair for the petition in this case. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು 10 lakhs mediation ರೆಫರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರು. mediation ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು 10 lakhs
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್
sorry
ಸಾರಿ
the matter has referred for the mediation my lord, in this case. Thereafterwards it has been they have been offered for 10 lakhs. We have fixed for 20 lakhs. Thereafter it is finally 15 lakhs we have come to me. We are requesting that to end up the matter at 15 lakhs, but they are saying there's something.
Sorry. I have specifically suggested my clients to pay a sum of rupees 10 lakhs in full and final settlement. For that, my learned friend, in other words, is about to agree. In the meantime, they are interrelated with each other, both parties. they met together, it seems, to their native place, in their native places. But father-in-law, that is father of this respondent, did not agree. He is demanding 25 lakhs. For that reason, I have filed this memo for this thing. My now 18,000 rupees per month has been granted in maintenance. Earlier, 8,000 rupees interim maintenance.
Let's keep this pending matter for some time. They will then arrive at a settlement.
May I make one request?
Mr. Matter on 10th of December.
May I make one request? In the meantime, some order may be passed. I am going to pay the order may be passed, subject to deposit.
We'll see. Mr. Matter on 10th of November. On that day, both the parties shall be present.
Because so 25 lakhs they have been
But
saying,
5
but
PM.
I've been reduced to
In the
15 lakhs.
meantime, one second, sir.
5
please.
PM
In the meantime, my learned friend, by filing the miscellaneous petition, he is insisting for these things. That he at least he should not precipitate that.
Till such time, the respondent
Please.
shall not precipitate.
Cell number 7,
Yes, complaint.
10, November, sir. 7. Cell number 7.
Appear for the petitioner, Your Honor, in this matter. This is the petitioner husband challenging the judgment of the lower court of Chikmagalur, where the lower court has ordered for 20,000 per month to the wife and 2,000 cost, my lord. The facts of the case is that, my
All
lord,
that not required. What is your income?
my income is 2 lakhs, but the background of this, my lord, I am suffering from museum of medical issues, wherein the petitioner herself, the wife herself, has produced the medical records of mine in the lower court, telling that I have suppressed the medical conditions at the time of marriage, my lord, and which is not true. I have told her, and she knows that.
No.
No,
Are you
she
in a position to pay the mobile?
My lord,
Why are you
now.
not in a position to pay the amount?
No, my lord, because he is suffering from diabetic type 1 diabetic, where he has to take 4 times insulin, and every date of hearing he has to travel to Chikmagalur. That itself is getting around 20,000 of expense to and fro, stay over there.
Then what has happened
And
to the 1,80,000?
my lord, that she has filed one more recovery petition.
Another 20,000 for that.
There I have paid 45,000 already, my lord, and in that lower court is posting it every week.
This is
And
not a case where we have to reduce the
my,
compensation.
my lord, no, my lord, I will explain, my lord. She is educated, she is working, and she has given the salary slip, my lord.
How much
But
is earning?
she tells 54, but our salary slip shows 59,000, my lord. And my lord, she has not produced any IT returns or
Daughter
bank
is there.
statements,
Daughter,
nothing.
children are there.
No issues, my lord. Every time she was in
She's earning
Chikmagalur,
54,000. She's earning 54,000.
59,000,
Let's see.
around 260. She is a IT, and
Is
she's
it part of the order?
yes, my lord. That the lower court has mentioned that also, that she is working.
Where is that?
Para 18, my lord, page 37. The petitioner, being the working woman, is entitled for maintenance or not to be discussed. The Honorable Apex Court in the Catena of judgment has laid on the factors that the needs to be considered in order to arrive at a just, fair, and reasonable amount of maintenance. There cannot be strict. So this the court has
Affidavit of
admitted.
disclosure of assets and liabilities. The petitioner disclosed her avocation as technical writer, and she wished to get the sum of rupees to her salary. In the section, she further stated that.
So in para 19, that is in the page 39.
Yes, please come. The children comes to the petition submit to the wife is earning 59,000.
And she is
husband is
not.
earning 2 lakhs.
Sorry to
And
interrupt, my lord.
he has so many expenses to bear. And the wife, as she is earning, she is not entitled for maintenance from the husband. This court has perused the order passed by the family court. The wife, it is a case of the wife that she is earning, but she has taken huge loans, and an amount, substantial amount of substantial amount is being paid towards the loan. In those circumstances, this court deems it appropriate to there shall be stay of all further proceedings on the condition that he shall continue to pay 10,000 per month, and the arrears also at 10,000 within 8 weeks. Notice. Yes.
Installment, my lord.
Yes. All of these are true. That is. Yes.
List number 4 for being spoken to CL number 1.
The company has been allowed and PN require order to be passed. Since there was no DL. PN require order is already there by the tribunal. You also kindly say in the appeal also.
Here is the order.
Not at printed. Huh? Day before yesterday dictated please.
You have not seen the order. You have not seen the order.
Not seen the order.
Without seeing the order, you
No,
will.
no, last line I have not listened. That's why I'm moved.
You moved for being spoken. What is this, Mr. Counsel? Yes, next. Not ordered. Just keep it. We'll see what is ordered.
CL number 2. CL number 2.
I am for respondent number 2 on behalf of BCC Nagara.
My lord, in this case, I appear for the appellant, my lord. My lord, the accident has been, I appear for the appellant in this case, my lord. My lord, the accident has
It
been
is
occurred
very
and
difficult
subsequent
to
death
follow
has
you
been
when
caused.
you appear in person. How is it, how can the court follow you online? Come to the court. This is matter on Saturday. Yes, 3, delete from the caption dismissal.
Cell number for orders matter. Cell number 3.
This is matter, after PCR is received.
Yes, ma'am. Cell number
Received
4.
for final hearing.
My lord, serial number 3. Serial number 3,
Serial number 4.
After this.
I am for the second respondent.
PCR is
I
yet
am
to
for the
be
appellate in this
provided.
case. Serial number 4
Yes,
is
this is
needful
matter
done, my
after
lord.
PCR is received. Next 4.
Cell number 4.
I am for the
I am
second
for the
respondent.
appellate. Needful done, my lord. To the
You
office
submitted
copy.
that the needful is done. This is matter of service of notice. No, why are you not complying with the orders when within the time frame?
My lord,
I will
I
not
am
recall
saying
the.
process DCF of rupees 10 rupees paid my yesterday, my lord.
When did you pay? When did you pay? When are you
Yesterday,
supposed to pay?
yesterday 3 p.m. paid. My colleague is
Yes.
paid.
When are you supposed to pay?
Yesterday, my lord.
As per the order. When is the
The
order
order is
passed?
before 3 days paid process fees order passed. Tomorrow, yesterday I
When
have
is the
paid 10 rupees.
he has paid then? Where is the parental order? The 17th is today. He has paid yesterday.
Yes,
Okay,
I
we
paid, my
submitted
lord.
that as part to the court. He has passed, he has paid the process.
Yes.
This is matter of service of notice.
Cell number 5.
IA number 1 of
Right.
24 is filed to condone the delay of 23 days.
Appeal memo
Condone.
has not been served upon me to file wakalat in this case.
He has not served.
So, copy of the appeal memo.
Hi. My lord, last occasion
Lord,
I had served the copies to the other side, my lord, for R2.
My lordship, I have
Anyhow,
this
I
with
can once
translation.
again I can serve the copies. Once again I can serve the copies.
Today you will serve.
Sure. Please, my lord. Please, my lord.
And calls for the appellant to serve the copy of the appeal memo on the calls for the respondent today. I number 1 of 24 is filed to condone the delay of 23 days condone. Admit post for final hearing. Call for the DCR.
6.
A week's time.
I am for the
Default
first
order.
respondent, my lord.
Number 7.
Yes. Memo is filed seeking dispensation of notice to R1 dispensed with. I have 1 of 24 to condone the delay of 444 days on condition. Admit final hearing TCR. Next.
8. Mrs. Shivanya Gowda.
For appellant, my lord, recall application, my lord.
Hmm?
Recalling application, my lord.
Hmm?
Recalling application.
What recalling application?
Is appeal DD file kept below, my lord, which is 7034 of 2024. 24. And file on 1st August 2025 we have filed recalling application.
This is matter.
Call along with 7036 of
List along with MFA 7034 of 2024 on 6th of November.
Please, my lord.
Yes,
Noted.
next.
Cell number 9.
Weeks time default.
Hearing for appellant, my
In
lord.
this matter, 2 weeks time default order.
Cell
Yes,
number
tell.
10.
I appear for
2
respondent
weeks
number
time
2.
default order.
Cell number 11.
Who is R1? Who is insurance company is there? Look at it.
I appear for respondent number 2. I appear on behalf of a insurance company. 10.
Not in 10, there is a
10 is
Yes.
notice has to serve, go to R1.
Sorry.
11. Who
Cell
appears?
number 11.
Which is the company?
ICICI Lombard R2.
Who appears for ICICI Lombard? So Mr. Ashok and Patil is directed to take notice on behalf of the, which respondent is?
R2.
R2, R1 and R2. The petition shall be in process within a week or else, within 2 weeks or else appeal shall stand dismissed
Cell
without
number
further
12.
reference to the court.
Cell
Who is
number
R2?
R2 is United India. Ma'am.
United India, you appear. So and so is directed to tell this. So and so is directed to take notice on behalf of the insurance company. Admit course of final hearing. Call for the DCR.
Cell number 13. Cell number 13. Permission of.
Who is first, second respondent, see?
That is IFCO Tokyo.
IFCO Tokyo, Shivanagowda appears. So
IFCO
BC
Tokyo.
Shivanagowda is directed to take notice on behalf of the second respondent insurance company. Admit post of final hearing, call for the TCR. In all this, the appellant shall serve the copy of the appeal memo on the counsel for the respondent. Yes.
Cell number 14.
For appellant, in this case, what happened, my lord, after the passing the judgment and award, the mother of the deceased was expired. Therefore, my lord, bringing the LRs of the deceased mother may not be arise, my lord,
No.
because
When she expired?
after the judgment and award passed by the trial court, by the claims tribunal, she died. Wife is already on record. Deceased wife, my lord, she is already on record.
So
Since, my lord, the brothers and sisters are not chosen to file any application or to implead themselves before the claims tribunal. Therefore, question of bringing the LRs does not arise.
no, 1 minute. Please come to the cause title before the tribunal.
Wife of the deceased and mother of the deceased are the claimants, my lord.
Who is petitioner is first petitioner?
Is wife.
First claimant is wife.
Yes.
Second claimant is?
Mother.
It's a case of death.
Yes, ma'am.
The then counsel for the petitioner submits that the after pendency of the after the MVC is disposed of, the second respondent, who is the mother of the deceased, right? The petitioner, the appellant, is the wife and is the sole legal heir of the deceased. As such, the as such, the to bring the LRs of second respondent is not required. Accordingly, the order dated 15/9/2025 is modified.
Notice is what.
Who are the respondents?
Respondent number 1, I'll file a memo for dispensation.
The memo is filed seeking dispensation of notice to R1. Memo is dispensed with at the risk of appellant. Second, Liberty Videocon General Insurance. Who appears?
Ravi Samprati. Ravi Samprati.
Samprati appears.
Which one is?
Liberty Videocon General. Ravi Samprati appears. Ravi Samprati is directed to take notice on behalf of the insurance company. Then counsel for the appellant shall serve the copy of the appeal memo. Admit post of final hearing. Next 15. Memo is filed.
My lord, I am for the appellant, my lord.
With admit post of final hearing. Call for the DCR. Yes, next.
Much obliged.
This is matter after service of notice to R2.
My lord, post along with my lord, I have filed the appeal.
Along with
Please.
so and so. Next.
17. N. Kumar.
Is council submission. This is matter on Saturday.
23:10.
Yes.
25:10.
Yes.
Cell
18.
number 18. Cell number 18.
Post along. We already deposited.
Deposited. Then council submits that they have already deposited the amount before the tribunal.
And also connected matter also is there.
Lord, kindly post.
The list along with so and
My
so.
lord, 6,011 of.
Give it to them.
Please.
List along with that. Admit post of final hearing. Call for the DCR.
Cell
Next
number
90.
9.
Next 90. R2. Who is R2? In that memo is filed seeking dispensation of notice to R1 dispense with. Who is R2? Which insurance company?
United India.
Huh?
United India.
Mr. Nagaraj is directed to take notice on behalf of the insurance company. I number 1025 is filed to condone the delay of 44 days. Condone. Admit post for final hearing. Call for the DCR. 20.
Cell number 20.
Who is R3?
It's private person.
Private person. List is list after service of notice to R3. Next 21.
21.
My lord, I am for appellant, my lord.
Auditing service of
Respondent?
United, my lord. R2 United.
United India Insurance.
R2.
Mr. Ravish Mani is directed to take notice on behalf of the respondent insurance company. I number 1 of 25 is filed to condone the delay of 85 days. Condone. Then counsel for the applicant shall serve the copy of the appeal memo on the counsel. Next 22.
22.
Dispensation file to R2.
Memo is
No.
filed seeking dispensation of notice to R2. Dispensed with at the risk of appellant. Admit post for final hearing. Call for the DCR.
Cell number
23.
23.
That is the owner of the vehicle will take steps, my lord. R1 is served.
2 weeks time for taking step. Default order.
Regarding stay, my lord, it's a self-accident, my lord. Charge sheet filed against the petitioner
Claimant.
himself.
Against the claimant.
Claimant.
It's a case of death or injury?
Injury case.
What
5
is the
lakh,
compensation
5 lakh
award?
88,000 awarded.
5 lakh?
88,000.
Then what is the finding of the tribunal on that?
Tribunal, my lord, given a finding in para 11, my lordship.
Use that.
Concluded that
Cell number 23.
23. Yes.
please, my lordship. The petitioner produced exhibit P12, separate copy of the order sheet, PCR.
It is
They
crystal
filed a private
clear.
complaint before.
It is crystal clear that the petitioner sustained injuries in the alleged accident due to actionable negligence of driver of the Toyota Innova car.
That's what, my lord. Our, they have filed a PCR
Mm.
challenging the charge sheet.
Mm.
On that basis, my lord, the MSCT has
What has happened to that?
That CC, my lord, 770 of 12. Prima facie established that negligence on the part of the driver of the Innova
What
car.
happened to that PCR?
That I very
So, will then counsel the petitioner submits that the claimant himself is a tortfeasor, but still the court has granted the compensation and they shall be stay of all further proceedings on 50% within 8 weeks.
for
Yes.
MSCT.
Wherever you want.
No, my lord.
Yes.
Cell number 24.
Memo is filed seeking dispensation of notice to R1 dispensed with I number 1 of 25. Oh, it is notice to the which is other respondent?
My lord, respond number 2, United India Insurance Company.
United India.
K. Nagarajaya is there.
We already given him
Please.
Mr. L. Srikanthra is directed to take notice on behalf of the insurance company. Then counsel for the appellants of the copy. Then I number 1 of 25 is filed to condone the delay of 48 days. Condone. Next 25.
25.
I paper appellant.
Memo is filed seeking dispensation of notice to R1 dispensed with. I number 1 of 25 is filed to condone the delay of 77 days. Condone. Admit final hearing TCR. Next.
Cell number 26.
R2 is who?
Awaiting
List after service of notice. Stay petition is there.
Please, my lord. My lord, as per the MLC, my lord, exhibit R3, RT a self fall from moving tractor, my lord. And one driver of the name as mentioned in the FIR, my lord, one Sana who was driving the vehicle. Charge sheet filed against Abdul Rahim, my lord, who is not having driving license, my lord. The driver has been implanted. 2 grounds we have urged before.
What is
One
the
is
amount?
self fall, my lord. Another one is driver implanted.
What is the amount?
Please, our amount is, my lord, 1,67,240.
Sir, the land council submits that the MSCT has granted the compensation. It is submitted that the claimant, it is stated the reason that is stated for the accident and the medical records runs contrary to that. In spite of that, the compensation is granted, and they shall be stay 50%, same 8 weeks. Next.
Cell number
Notice to the respondent.
Cell number 7.
Yes, but what is this
27
maintenance?
in this case, my lord, the police have filed a charge sheet on the 181, my lord. The award amount is 28,300, my lord. That's what my lord, maintenance has been raised. My lord, they are not liable to pay any amount, my lord. It is maintenance.
Because you are on the question of
Please,
liability.
liability.
Some order is there in
Please, my lord, my lordship has a pass and all.
Very,
In
very
525, I will give the list.
to give that.
I will give them.
In the office has raised the objection with regard to maintainability. He'll give you that number accordingly. The office objections. Yes. Or yes, overruled.
Cell number 28.
Yes,
The
28.
recalling order, please, ma'am. The reason is, ma'am, company has also filed an appeal on negligence claim. My appeal is not listed on that day. I was present before this on the order has been passed, enhanced.
Recall
Kindly,
on the
I
day.
humble request, kindly recall.
We will see on that day, list along with so-and-so, both matters will
Please,
see. List along with so-and-so
please.
on 19th of November.
I'll give the number, please, right?
Give it to the code
Please.
officer. Yes, next.
Serial number 29. Shashidhara.
Oriental
Milad, in
Insurance.
29 Milad, I will take notice for R3 Milad, Oriental Insurance Company. I have filed appeal Milad.
Mr. V.S. Umesh is directed to take notice on behalf of the insurance company. Counsel for the appellant shall serve the copy of the appeal memo. I number 1024 is filed to condone the delay of 1609 days, condoned on condition. Just along
Milad,
with, it is already
in
here.
my appeal, my appeal Milad,
Mr. So-and-so, Mr. Shashidhara is directed to take notice on behalf of the
for 1 2
respondent,
years.
claimant. Then, who is R8?
R8, I will take steps Milad.
R1, 3 and 8. There are so many.
2 weeks time.
Yes,
for,
Milad. And office Milad, I have
publishing the-
deposited the amount Milad.
It is submitted that the land counsel for the insurance company that the amount is deposited.
Let
Yes.
him serve a copy and appeal.
And the counsel for the appellant shall serve the 29.1 shall serve the copy and the counsel for the respondent is 30. I number 1024 is tried to condone the delay of 44 days, condoned on condition, admit post final hearing. Call for the
Appeal memo not yet been served.
Not, sir.
My lord, I am for the third respondent, my lord. Third respondent.
For the appellant shall serve the copy of the appeal memo on the for preparing for the respondents. Yes, next 31.
I am for the third respondent, my lord.
I number
There is a
1024 is
delay
tried
of
to condone the delay of 482 days, condoned on condition, admit final hearing this year.
Number 32.
my lord without any interest, my lord. My lord, 482 days delay without any interest.
Mr. Vijay Kumar,
that is
why
a
should it be
standard order.
special to you? Every order is that only.
Highly
You
obliged.
follow
Highly
online,
obliged.
again will argue.
Please, my lord. Please, my
32.
lord.
I number 2 of 24 to condone the delay of 221 days.
Paying for the appellant in 32.
Not necessary. I condone, admit post for final hearing.
Serial number
Call for the
33.
PCR.
33.
488 days delay, my lord.
Same order. Yes, condone on condition, admit post for final hearing. Call for the PCR.
Serial number 34.
My appeal, madam.
Already deposited the award.
I number 1 of 24 to condone the delay of 824 days on condition.
Thus, in my appeal, he may be directed to take notice.
Mr. Muralidhara and is directed to take notice on behalf of R3 Insurance Company, admit post for final hearing.
Yes.
And in 34.1, it is submitted that they have deposited the amount. Yes, next.
35. Dabali.
Yes, Mr. Dabali. I number 1 of 24 is filed to condone the delay of 55 days. Condone. Amount is deposited.
Yes.
It is submitted that the amount is deposited. Admit final hearing,
Serial
PCR
number
36.
36. K. Prasanna Shetty.
Non-compliance of office objection, my lords. Only one office objection, my lord. Delay application is not filed that I have filed today, my lords.
Why have you not filed? Why this? One order for that, one order to
No, my
this
lord, on
one.
that day I could not.
That I'll see on Saturday. Yes, next 7.
Serial number 37.
I number 1 of
I am for
24
the
to
third
condone the delay
respondent.
of 445 days condoned on condition. Admit final hearing TCR next.
38.
This also 356 days condoned on condition.
39. Along with.
Post along with so and so. Take that. Yes, 39.
39.
Serial number 39, 40, 41 model, we have to put the entire amount, 100% of the amount.
I number 1 of 25 to condone the delay of 438 days in filing. Same that batch of matters. Land counsel for the insurance company submitted that they have deposited 100% compensation. The respondents are at liberty to withdraw 50% of the compensation. Then in 39.1, 46 days delay condoned. Then in 40, same stay and delay of 452 days condoned. Then 40 same order stay and they can withdraw.
Yes.
Then 40.1, 56 days delay in filing condoned. Yes, 41.
41.
Here also 100, entire amount has been deposited.
Same, then also same stay petition, same order. 446 days delay condoned. 41.1, 42 days delay condoned. All these matters admit post for final hearing.
Serial
Call
number
for the
42.
DCR.
Not admit, my lord. I have to take amount, my lord.
Which one? Yes. Poses matters of final hearing without admitting. Yes.
Bill number 42.
Lord, I appear for the appellant in this case. There's a delay of 50 days in filing the.
I number 1 of 25 to condone the delay of condone admit poses final hearing.
43.
Same, madam.
43 and
Bali.
43 and 40.
43, 438 days.
Hello,
condone.
43 and 44, we have to put 50% of the award amount along with interest. Let him withdraw.
You deposit 50%.
50%.
So only difference in this 43 is instead of 100%, 50%
50%.
deposited, 50% they are entitled to withdraw.
43 and
Okay,
44.
number 1 of 25, 438 days delay, condone. Next 43.1, no delay. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Then 44.
44.
Same.
Same.
This is for 19 days, 50% or 100%? Amount deposited.
50%. Bro.
50% deposited, entitled to withdraw. Then 44.1, 296 days, condone. Next 45.
45. Raju, yes.
412 days on condition, admit post for final hearing.
46.
490 days.
Four.
Yes, Mr. Dabali, what about
Here,
this?
but there are two appeals, one by the claimant and another by the corporation.
Hmm.
In that appeal, just to serve the copy. The involvement of.
Their appeal 46.1.
Yes.
Mr. Dabali is directed to take notice on behalf of
R1.
R1. Notice to R2 and R3. Yes.
And
we'll
in
see.
my appeal mode,
Hmm.
the claimant is the first respondent. That is Pramod R. We will directed to take notice.
That's what I said.
And Ekadem Mulkun Malad appears for the insurance company in connected cases for R3 mode.
So and so is directed to take notice on behalf of
R3 insurance company mode in my
R3
appeal.
insurance company in your appeal.
And notice to the second respondent.
Notice to second respondent.
And stay mode subject deposit of 50%.
Yes. Stay.
Cell number
And they are
47.
entitled to withdraw. Yes, 47.
47.
We will deposit 50% of the award amount.
Is it a case of death or injury?
Injury, madam.
Injury.
Injury.
Yes, 50%.
Because-
Notice to the respondent.
Cell number 48.
48 also mode connected with the 47.
Notice 50%.
Subject to deposit of. Subject
In
to
all the
deposit,
matters, 8 weeks.
subject to deposit of 50%.
Yes, yes.
Cell number 49. Srinivasaya.
I number 1 of 20. Who appears with no insurance company in this?
Yes.
Look at it. 49.
Liberty General Insurance R2. R1 is dispensed with.
One minute.
R1 served, R2 dispensed.
Who appears with the Liberty General Insurance?
Ravi
Pradeep.
Samprati. Ravi Samprati.
On behalf of the respondent company, I number 1 of 25 is filed to condone delay of 106 days condone. Appellant shall serve the copy of the appeal memo on the council. Admit final hearing.
Cell number 50.
I number 1 of 25 is filed to condone the delay of 146 days condone. Raj, have you served the papers on her?
We have not received the copies.
See the paper. Admit post for final hearing. Call for the DCR 51.
Cell number 51. Delay of 230 days.
Which is the company? Oriental Insurance. Oriental. Mr. B.C. Sitaram Rao is directed to take notice on behalf of the respondent insurance company.
Ravi Shankar.
Ravi Shankar is directed to take notice on behalf of the insurance company. I number 1 of 25 is filed to condone the delay of 230 days. Condone. Yes.
Cell number 52.
Yes.
R7, the MFA number 6399/20 Palang.
I number 1 of 25 to condone the delay of 30 days condone.
Wakalat Banu Prakash.
Yes.
Acceptance.
In respect of what it says, notice had to be ordered in respect of respondent.
Voluntary file the Wakalatan R7
And also I filed a appeal number 6399.
No, no, who are the other respondents? 1 to 7 he is appearing. No, it says only 7. So then don't condone the delay, notice to the respondent.
Along with the MFA number 6399.
List along with so and so. Yes, 53.
Please to refer to work that mail.
Which one?
53 madam.
IA number 1 of 25 is filed to condone the delay of 349 days condone. At the request of the parties, this is the refer this matter to the Lok Adalat. Next.
I pray for Appeal this case.
I will pay 13. There is a delay of more than 4 years. My lord, I will file on my formal objections. My lord.
Respondent will come up with objections if any. This is matter on November 19th. Yes, 55.
Much obliged. Insurance companies appeal challenging the liability, Your Lordship.
161 days delay.
And sought for the stay, Your Lordship. Because there was a delay of 161 days, the coordinate bench of this honorable
number
court.
2 of 25 is filed seeking stay. They shall be free of fault for the bill 50%. 8 weeks. Yes.
56.
My lord, I am for the appellant. It is a KSRTC appeal, my lord. We will deposit 50% along with interest. They can withdraw, my lord.
Yes, in that matter also, 55 also, they can withdraw. Geeta Raj, where is she?
Notice. Cell number 56.
50, Tejasvi, 55, she can withdraw. The respondents can withdraw. 56 also, 50 plus stay. Respondents are at liberty to withdraw notice. Yes, 57.
Yeah, 57.
Who are the respondents?
Both respondents.
Huh?
Both respondents. One is New India, my lord, one owner of the vehicle.
New India Insurance.
Please, respondent.
Who appears for New India?
C.R. Ravishankar.
You appear. Which is the respondent, first or second?
Second respondent.
Second respondent, Mr. A.R. Ravishankar is directed to take notice. Other is?
Notice has to go.
Notice
Owner
has
of
to
the
go.
vehicle, please.
Notice to so and so. Next matter also same.
Same connected, arising out of.
Yes, 58.
Cell number 58. Anand HJ.
Which is any respondent insurance company?
Already served the copy.
Mr. Dabani is directed to take notice on behalf of the respondent.
Copy served.
6599. IA number 1 of 25 is filed condone the delay of 257 days condoned on condition.
Admit.
Yes. List is admit, post for final hearing, call for the DCR.
Lord, the record may be called for only after the dispersal of the amount, my lord. This honorable court has permitted the appellant.
Yes.
Withdraw
Call for the DCR once the amount is dispersed.
Please.
59.
Cell number 59.
Notice. You appear for the insurance company.
Appellant, Your Lordship, this is the appeal filed by the company on the ground. Insured file a claim petition. Son is driving. Insured sustained injuries, and claim petition is entertained without insured.
50%.
Before this court, Your Lordship.
Stay.
I'm
Cell
not
number
saying
60.
before which. I'm just saying.
At least, Your Lordship. Otherwise, they will raise the objection. Which court we can? That's why.
Yeah.
Before this court. Your
No, they are not raising. Unless that is difficult for you later.
Cell number 60. P.
60
Pradeep.
notice to respondents in this.
10.
Yes, Pradeep.
For the appellant.
50%.
This case, my lord, I am challenging the
No,
liability on
no
the ground
order
that
for withdrawal in this.
no nexus between injury and death, my lord. 2 days he was inpatient, my lord, only nasal bone fracture and nasal fracture, my lord. After lapse of 2 years, my lord, he died due to heart attack. There is no nexus between the injury and death.
Granted.
5 lakh, my lord.
Yes, the stay on condition of 50% within 8 weeks. They're at liberty to withdraw.
What
Cell
it
number
should run.
6.
Half of it
But
at
my
least will be there.
lord, no, my lord, there is no medical expenses also there.
Nothing.
Nothing. That's what. My lord.
50% on condition 8 weeks. No withdrawal order. Even before that also 59 also no withdrawal order. Yes, next.
One.
I appeal for the appellant insurance company, madam. It is
Yes.
the insurance company appeal on the ground of quantum, madam. Future loss of income has been questioned before.
How much is
sir.
granted?
3 lakh 94, 6 lakhs 27,120, my lord.
6 lakhs 20.
27,120 is the
According to
future.
you, how much should be the amount?
No future, he is continued in service, my lord. It has been admitted before this.
Listen,
2 lakhs is my liability, my lord.
50%. The respondents are at liberty to withdraw.
My lord, 2 lakhs is my liability, my lord. That's all. 2 lakhs is
That
only.
contention of yours, they have continued in service and all will
My
never
lord,
be
admitted
considered.
documents, it is being placed on record, my lord.
50% at liberty.
Notice
My
to
lord,
respondent.
my humble say, my appeal will be deprived, my That is the reason.
50% entitled to withdraw 25%.
Please.
Notice to respond. 62.
No, your liability is how much?
My lord, my liability is 2 lakhs, my lord. He has continued his service.
Directed to deposit 50% under at liberty to withdraw 2 lakhs.
Please.
Yes, within 8 weeks.
Yes, ma'am. Notice
Next.
has to be.
Notice to respondent.
Serial number 62.
Appellant, Your Lordship.
Malati.
Insurance company appeal on quantum as well as contribution, Your Lordship. Petitioner was riding pillion in a two-wheeler and he has hit the car from behind. The same is not been considered by the court below, and he has sustained only cut lacerated wound over.
How much is granted?
6,94,000.
50% entitled to withdraw. Then 63.
63.
63 rider of the motorcycle, same.
Yes, same 50%.
Serial number 64.
My lord, I am for the appellant. My lord, appeal by the insurance company challenging negligence, liability, and quantum of compensation. Deceased is aged about 84 years, but tribunal has taken only 60 years and adopted future prospectus and also
How much is
adopted
granted?
9 multiplier
How much
instead
is
of 5
granted?
multiplier. Please, my lord.
How much is granted compensation?
12,41,000. Major children.
Yes,
not-
half of the amount entitled to withdraw 50%.
Serial number
50% of the amount. Yes.
Serial number
65.
65.
What about this?
My lord, in this case also, my lord, it's
Kumar.
an ex parte judgment, my lord. Ex parte judgment, my lord. Tribunal has awarded a huge compensation. There is no opportunity for the insurance company. I am ready to deposit 50% of the award amount.
It's 50% withdrawal. Yes.
Serial number 66 for admission.
Admit, post of final hearing,
Serial number
TCR.
67.
All this matter 69, 70, 71.
71.
In 71 stays there,
71.
ma'am.
71 will deposit for the first respondent, please.
Yes, what is the case?
My lord, it's a case of injury, my lord.
How much is granted?
7,75,255. Admitted amount, my lord, 5 lakh rupees.
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
Shall deposit 5 lakhs and the respondents are at liberty to withdraw
Please.
5 lakhs. Once the amount is dispersed, send that is here.
Tell them-
Admit, post of final hearing.
Serial number 72.
Copy not, sir. List this matter on 12th of November, 73.
73.
Admit,
Insurance company appeal challenging liability.
notice to the respondent.
The stay application is there.
Where is it, stay application?
The file it, my lords.
It's not there. If you look at the cost,
It's there, my lords.
look at it.
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್
When they did this, I think.
Like, it is submitted that they file an IA for, then what is the difficulty for them to mention it in the call list? It's a case of death or injury.
Death, my lords.
How much is granted?
5 lakhs, my lords.
Huh?
5 lakhs, my lords.
What is the admitted amount?
No, my lords. Here, my lord, the rider of the motorcycle was under the influence of alcohol and he himself goes and hit to a
50% entitled to withdraw.
roadside tree.
Yes, next.
Serial number
All these
74.
matters, final hearing matters,
74 last one.
74 last match, ma'am.
final hearing matters, give a date. Every day, like 3 or 4 matters, yes.
This case challenging the liability.
We did the earlier bench date given matters,
My lord,
yes.
date of accident is 9/11/2023, my lord. Subsequent to the amendment, my lordship, the pain recovery order has been passed. That has been seized by the apex court granting stay, my lord, regarding pain recovery.
What is the amount granted?
My lord, 11,93,845.
Half of the amount permitted to withdraw.
My lord, permitted to withdraw. Liability.
Then for-
My lord, stay is granted. That's what, my lord.
Huh?
Stay granted by the apex court regarding pain recovery aspect. Subsequent amendment, my lord. Before amendment, I am not pressing that.
Admit, like the 50% of the amount to be deposited, stay on that condition, no withdrawal.
My hearing.
Yes, in kind of a
Court officer hearing matters ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
50%
ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದು 25% ಬಿಟ್ರಾ? ಹೌದಮ್ಮ.